eboye game no 1-0 Villarreal Bayern 1-0 and also na 1-0 on aggregate na ene Atletico Madrid so ebebo sanso so na Man City Empire ebedwa na sadie esi ekoye no Atletico Madrid ye free Spain wone Man City ya free England and boye first leg no game no 1-0 ya kyerese Man City ehye Atletico Madrid ya omontumi antenti omo ma ba ko don kentemu a wode eko eno ache Liverpool ya wo England no wone Benfica ye free Portugal na eboye Empire ebedwa Benfica entimi anyina Liverpool anim eno nte Liverpool edi kan nya hoden ya wode eko wo manim enti na ye hwe anim sesen ana enema ebesiako ebeya Chelsea ana Real Madrid Bayern ana Villarreal said ye ho nsem besiako bia no nyame ya domo ye ba ye de bebrɛw we so na ye gina no pai na ye de sompa 93.1 kase nyina aba na wiye na ada na ye ho aba na ye gyamu e de ma omanhene yawo adubuache ye besa aba bia na afenso de obokrata mo nsam no ye de abawrom interviews ahodo hyem nyina so no anopa obete se ekoso biti gidigidi ya daje enipo so oman.
Thank you very much, my brother. Why are there some copa? And so no chase baby and nam no enya agro crowd. Jemu papa I'm not saying
nyame de untimi nkyere ne awonye ade bi a woye bia nso hwehu se eye nti wo se woye na woye ade no so woni beremu anopa ye be yanka nhyemu se bia nsuo beto nanso ye beduru ha ya no etemu sansuo ya ato ya samre enuan ma ne bibu afu ya omo kasa sansu kro ya nso sa obi nso ni age ya ne no baye efefa na ni age.
All right, stay with me. It's a silent morning this morning on Sumpa 93.1. Hey yeah. Right here on Sumpa 93.1 live on television Sumpa TV. My name is Omahini Yawa Dubuachi. Nano pay matrasi ya shenyema bina Ghana this year mutemi ye. You see, the politician is always coming to us, telling us one or two things or no fee say. Ebema onu adi ye. Ti asima me catch the we. Every 2,000 after Rawlings. Matrasi asha un say eniema mako ba enai. And a party be a power or catch the yen. Oba paniku forward eba bepe ejadie. Okatre Ghana for sa petro yentumi ntomi bwa. Osi economy na edai asai. Osi sika die bottom. And a dollar. Petro economy ahunchire dollar. Eti edu 2004 man paniku for eba bepe o minor second time no. Okachire say will lay a solid foundation for their takeoff. As some of the two years no. A solid foundation has been laid for a smooth takeoff. By 2008, now World Credit Crunch aba ama doom so abe boba pay and NDC as a party in opposition. Ekachire say Petro Boyadin, Yetiminto, Omani Boyadin, your dollar Sam, any day. It was about to me. And fear what Chiachi MPP by power. Now NPP forces switch opposition when NDC was in power. Nana Kufado, dollar, fuel, ahochra, economy na say 4. And on the budget to me 2020, 2013. Omampeni Jomama say we have laid a solid foundation for takeoff. 2016, Nanado say, petrol, foreign exchange, your dollar say, I want you to many mu. It's in the way from 2000 to 2008. I buy the second rounder, or say, I lay a solid foundation for takeoff. Onya we are, the whole position on the Sanyama way, dollar, petrol, ahocha economy na say ene ma nan ya ensisa besine ama pani jo mama wo opposition se sia no e dey asem na o ka kire yen e dey asem na o ka kire mami kwa homa no so anopana mini bu din komo say honorable Kandapa National Security Minister dey atuja say the perception e wodi pa bi trim say the judiciary is biased, no? A very dangerous for our democracy. Honorable Andy Apia Kubi, a member of Parliament, Asante Achim North, and a member of the MPP legal team. Yera Apia Kubi Mwache Eba Sumpa 93.1. Now, pom to say,
Yamiadum, Boko,
Yadobadi, I see. Yajo Sododo. Yeah, Joseph. Yerapia Kubi, and some Ira Kandapa can remote. Sir, Omambia, a bambo, a day here. It is a Kasabi and Nasa, a Jinimus to see Ebi Quabon, say. Ye judiciary, see, Obiabaka said no naka. A sam to ye Kodawa mono. Ebimo Ajina Koya says the Siade, Omuchako Fembi, attending intimate Nedia. Was who? Emma on minor yen security. Oh, can I say?
The limited to perception. Say perception which is that's for to be the same a reality and the now, of course, say court ye adwuma na judicial system no ye adwuma MP no ye nipa nyina ne tiase enti obia form opinion na enye explain properly na no opinion ne be perception enti I'm happy to say perception not reality and enti perception can come out of confusion, can come out of misunderstanding, can come out of propaganda. And it is a limited to perception, any problem. But we need to work on that. And you say, by judicial decisions, even those of us who are lawyers, we do our decisions. We have to read it once, twice, thrice to have a full meaning and import, particularly when it comes to interpretation. And it is an interpretive decision. I have to understand because by the nature of their training, can be about judiciary. No, I don't careful. Be to say lawyers. Lay persons there. It's understandable.
Honorable Andy Apia Kubi, Asama Wokai. Unfortunately, so lawyers are Yansusi fees and Kamo, Mojumano na Mohunu practice ne Hunyamano. Moso na Moba Church, they send moi. Supreme Court even ma interpretation. Mujifri omanum na mo chire mu in a different manner. Ma ekoye to say anka wo dan a wo say surveyor no niema na oye ne tene. Eti akoye to say ye de esen ka fa say mi nimra mu. Eti nka Supreme Court ama interpretation a ka lawyer no na be ka say oh the Supreme Court kan na to say but the be we ase na mo lawyer fo no anso na mo tu futuro gu ye ni. Eti na ama ye ne wa ha no. Sa me wo afa we na sanko ya amame a. Me say and the Supreme Court for akwaje bribe. How do we deal with this issue? Na unyi ni semre do a wasa Ghana Bar Association so ebem. Esan say no ni kuba tan a mo nyina mo hye o mase.
Me know ya give say invitation to Bar Association to do advocacy. Me know ya give papa. Na we nyina say ni no. We say judicial system ko na. Esese ke betumi and communia public relations out judicial decisions we be sa no aka ombeba out abey advocacy no be chichimu na omo pa betra say omo ayi omo decision no lawyers no explain chere omo clients but unfortunately ni omo clients nko and they consume judicial decisions no eliti hu be here say and kebenya public relations outfit within the judiciary must be taken upon themselves on advocacy. Now, also invitation to the Bar Association. Welcome.
Some 3.1.
We now see a maintain environment, bring a balance between the practice of law in motion, and the effect of law and the understanding of law. And also Bar Association here, mandate to exercise. Unfortunately, no. Bar Association, maybe now you're able to the individual lawyers in a particular case to do advocacy. But lawyer, no, the only way to the client. Now, you go extra mile. Judicial decision now, you discuss, and now of course, yes, any platform be discuss. Except some more. More media mobile platform to discuss this to the
these
public.
Issues.
And that's what they can say.
All right.
Now, judicial decisions, now, who dilute with politics, and then the cases are dangerous.
That's a problem. Chief Justice.
The more judicial system, no, a bra, who say lawyer, channel, politics.
Some 3.1.
Me as a person, I have sworn say, under those circumstances, and I may get lawyer politics a frame every year. Now, the same way, 2012 Supreme Court, a Bible team, they can say, Abraham Muhammad
was duly elected, no,
before the court, no, or no, winning election, or winning, no. I agreed with that position. Because me and Kasano, I wasn't particularly following the trial. Because with the other member one instance, you were Vice President Dr. Baumiano Jaboxu. The son of Serbia was me and you were not there.
Okay.
Now Ghana for body yeah. Now unfortunately, no, me the enemy with different opinion.
Okay, not just 2012, the election petition, would you now come and officer in his own Mukwana?
No, it's so Muko. Muko court, a train in the memory. It's a court to court there. Sometimes you don't go to court just because you want to win. Sometimes you go to court to test evidence.
Okay. Sometimes
you go to court to test the law. Sometimes you go to court to expand the frontiers of law. It is not always the case. We go court to about this. So
it's a him from Pana na only Ghana phobia near budget. So you and I were not done. You go actually near budget. So you know, hey, na ni omunyajini.
Hearsay evidence.
And your friend hearsay evidence. I as artisan.
Artisan.
Okay.
And it is what can I say? We so this is me no me the name. Now, person say a artisan na okay. Court also practice 7 years. It is evidence thing now, not me and you, and not me and you, and not me. Not inadmissible evidence.
Okay.
And what as a meal. And so now, yeah, Tiabon. What you say, men are male, okay, more, or Cassava could necessary, and we did a German, not prepared year, because near you and not and more case. And to me, the men because society, it's a say, but not the same person. So you see, no Supreme Court see at the time. You couldn't say, Lord, no, a power. And the constitution, and only the constitution will be a very directive principles of state
policy, right?
The state must prevail under any circumstance. And indeed, judicial decision will be held more and influenced by the directive principles of state policy. Once you say in 2012, on the case, you say, assembly accord the other side the injuries to the society. So the law one bit. Every idea also Omuma 3 issues, whether or not there were irregularities, whether or not the irregularities affected this, whether or not, but we are saying now issues now may be based on principles. And now assembly no cry, yeah.
Savannah 3.1.
And it's set your cost, not maybe a minimum set and run.
All right.
2020 election. Court room JC. Actually,
now, about 2020 election, see, the former president in America meeting NDC followers, and to just say one court Supreme Court to say or Kokase Wawini. Now at that time now, not tension woke room, no, he needed to calm tempest. Until they went to court just to cool down the tempest of their people. Until they won't say court to Nanya cause your call winning, no. Could this also be a strategy?
And I make sure some can start to and I also come to see. It's Yahweh Muhammad, motive what they call court was not to go and win. And I'm big control. But again, they had been a credit. Well, we didn't say something I call court. No. And now what's happened when team criticizes judges? Now why that year? Told himself, well, himself. One question.
Savannah 3.1.
Now, court to say, a similar deal. Which means the more unintentional attacking judges. And in the case, the CFP Supreme Court trial in 2020, they said, you go to court on evidence and you win your case on evidence. And it's so court, not the Sapaya court. And now we need because as someone at the open court in Yamaon, we need who yes so. And that this is the summary of the Supreme Court trial of 2020 election.
Mami Musa we Brennan T. Chief Justice, there are two justices, if we know Krumi, senior lawyers' cases will be heard first in court before junior lawyers. And you're discriminatory.
Yeah, it may be a and it may be as you say, and it may be a practice of law. A substantive law, any procedure, any kabumwa, a due process, any law. Any two things that Papa could know in Java. Any procedure, no, yeah, we share through practice.
Savannah 3.1.
And substantive law, no, I did the whole book of Ocean. Any say, a Namia, a woman, says, I would emphasize capital for. We a captain near Ocean, my poor one day. Now go to captain near 20 years. Now, but that's what. That's what I captain Papa. Especially with a captain Tabadano, Koyo Fasu Yama. Send you about one casa. I'm also in the practice of law. Procedure the blue and arguments ground.
Sompana 3.1.
Advocacy, your skill set with the and it's a 1 year school near pro about that, so your lawyer. I say no, we should you want to and we need the practice of law. And it's the one about court to not send penny punja and also take us. What's someone getting the dream? This is the last few weeks because Supreme Court on the interpretation, yeah, let me the other side.
Sompana 3.1.
Let me issue application. Let me am calling also. We share the about committee, notwithstanding the years of practice. Then I'm calling. Let me say application in the argument here settled. And the rules book come as a bianco. Supreme Court rules, CICT, as amended by CI25. And a man about some, now you know, refer me to rule 50. Now a big crime in 70. Now a certain
Sompana 3.1.
at all times, no rules of procedure, you must have the document in your hand. And to tell me, you buy after the CI 47, CI 19, CICC, High Court.
Okay. Okay.
It is something that I learned on the day. And it didn't be who's the before. And it's only a new lawyer, no other court. Now, who was here? First and foremost, where be our court, that's all you want to say.
Sompana
Opportunity
3.1.
to be here before. We are all new. And you knew the crowd here. And you will say, me say, you pass it, you call me to ban. If you hold mommy, me senior, me never court. When you case the crowd, me court, my court now. Let me see, let me share. Senior Bear.
The bottom line is only Chief Justice Yadri. Okay.
The Chief Justice, and you said, what can I say? Somewhere older than anyway, too.
All right. Era Abiakubi, Mammy found see how Medawa said when he had to change Como, and I no pay. Mammy ma, Ohinini, Ama Crunchy, Aquaba. Obapa na want to say Bibi Aboko and Obadia say Minia Keke Bibi Aboko and Opaju Chaka say no kama pa ya boa man Libya Boga yaw na Bibi Adadi Bibi Adadi your friends say Fufura what they want
Sompana 3.1.
Saho.
Enra me ne kase ye kwa kotwa voice so am run about. Na ye frɛ papa bi na ye be busa no se ye pese ne kasa nti kase e rap papa na eno so ye wo new radio station here ya so o se ba bi o ma he wo no yes ya papa ye adwa ne sisei
ene science
e ga we ni ache na nkure ne ni ache
go for that was
ne ni je ache na mwe je senke ye want so ba bi o ma he wo de akon kasa o se ba bi o ma he wo yes ya o wajire yi a wo se
o kasa ye fast da we ya dom na anopa ye hwe yi levi ye po yi levi aba uko November 17, 2021 emra aban foto sanfo kanoforiata ede Ghana yakwa homa sika tu dwa no ena ode tu dwa se aban na hunu se wiase a ewo nyina no aban fo kwantempon dwumadie no enkrofo bebre edi dwa ho sisi a se bia o glasses fefefe hyewe on the mechire no na bia auto online
Sompana 3.1.
auto online no send mbomo na call ni pakọ na oji sika no wantua bibia waje money transfers ye nyina sa sika no every day as I speak with you yow it's about 100 billion Ghana cedis worth of transactions 2021 nkwa 100 billion worth of transactions on the mature no eti ebasa na kofa nsam pi na aba na ye di emra ho nkomo kakra ma me kwa ahoma no so na me ne lawyer Abraham Amaliba to twen nkomo head of NDC legal team lawyer me mo ache na umpom to say ya da oba de ase yera kanda pa kasa ne kasa mu no kire say the perception say the judiciary is biased, no, it's a threat to our national security. Now, I say you stand vindicated. Uchremu say, or no say, nipa bi adwene yo mo say judiciary, and adwene bi manya no enye. Also, dear, ama abesi dia say, dear na NDC mo kano, no kretro do, chremu ye.
Well, you say NDC 3.1. That's now saying former President Mahama Eko was I repeated that same statement. Until for National Security Minister, Obi Awan year NDC to say this, no. I just say we have been indicated. But one no, that's some local a chasing head. That's some say the perception, that perception of Ekoswa. It means the Basabasa Epa Ghana. Now, the national security, Ekata, who am I? Abra will know the day I watch information I want you. Look around, the Kodani fee, I mean, information. So we need to take what he says seriously and ensure that our perception no goes away.
All right. Aroba Maliba, so there's a school of thought that says lawyers now so do maybe a dear same court and no crowd you can say you disagree with the court name. So but when it comes to interpretations, now lawyers are on radio, on television, interpreting, giving an interpretation of their own to a Supreme Court interpretation. Is it not the case to say, Ebasa na woman Juma was so moye, Yaji, ye ama omoa, and also so Emayani I watch that ye nimbre muno. A bet me the pencha by entem.
What do you want? Open say carpenter for TV so to interpret, to explain law to you, or another open say a Kriani, TV so and go interpreting the laws for you, and another open Mason.
Hey.
So on TV so interpret the laws for you. Which one do you want?
Definitely, lawyers will explain.
Some lawyers.
That is where I'm coming from. It's not about whether Masons or whatever.
I'm understanding your question. I'm saying, sir, which one do you want?
Definitely, it's lawyers.
Lawyer, and what tenacity. Now, what interpreting near Ecoso, court in the Mawa Nasa. You want a farmer, you want a carpenter. Because near the matter they discuss it. The assembly court, sir. Nana do anasa Mahama at the EC court. The lawyer and continue TV so crap. It will be a matter for discussion. You can't dodge it. No TV station will say, sir, yeah, answer no. Now some of the car. Which one do you want? A lawyer to go and explain to you what is happening in court for you to understand. And I said, because there's no lawyer, the TV station can just pick anybody to go there. So I can understand that some lawyers may go beyond bounds, but no, it's not the reason why confidence in the judiciary is going down. That is not the reason. And yet, take that one out. So that's not the reason.
I am not talking about confidence. Jamaican is what you are also reiterating. Say some lawyers go beyond to say certain.
Some journalists go beyond. Some farmers go beyond. But yeah, they're beyond. But we are saying that is not the reason why. Some tankers go beyond. Some taxi drivers drive carelessly beyond. Some truck drivers drive carelessly beyond. So because of that, you won't enter a car again.
You go to a car. Now let's move forward. My Musa same way. I see not NDC MP Honorable Kwesi. Me pacho na sem no akosi sem poti Samri.
Okay.
I see not MP. Honorable Kwesi. Na sem no akosi say.
You see, you are accusing lawyers of talking about cases in court. And one kata.
I'm not accusing you. Honorable Amaliba, someone busa, I'm someone to see. I will not accuse you, say, why you BB. And someone I make kind of what they are to so, but to see, I'm say, honorable question, I said,
Champana 3.1.
Oh, it's not the case, no. And also, back over high courts, criminal charges. And no example, yeah, filing processes. Yeah, they call your friends and Supreme Court. And I've been so a Cape Coast Court of Appeal. And I've been so Supreme Court. Or China, the injunction application, Supreme Court, I don't mind ruling on that one. So,
that injunction, no, yes, sir. Assembly the see more call for that injunction.
And then when I echo, and people follow and almost say, almost the assembly court. And for the time being, no, sir, assembly requires says, you let injunction the MP. Almost say, almost the Article 94(2)(a) of Supreme Court for interpretation. Based on that, you know, almost I said, yeah, injuncting MP as that matter is said. So,
I just say, almost a son to say, me a man, a crime man in Kojina, a sin of one name, say, or more MP.
Yeah, exactly so.
Okay. But I say, you ever heard you free my batch now? Honorable Abraham, lawyer Abraham Amaliba, and I'm not saying the train come on. Near didn't come on a year E-levy home. Says, Cosa Nipani be Busana say. As you see, no percentage in the pa, a say. Percentage, you know, a say. I buy there 1.5. And I him say, tell cost for no so at 0.2 free so. It's 0.8. A 1.5 to 0.8 Boma say. Massive for no. Momo Amian, what's it? 1.7 kind of want it. 1.5, 0.8.
0.8.
It's 2.3.
So for me, you're not Takanska. So Mama, the Biaka collection.
It's a 2.3, me boy. Okay.
No,
sir. 1.5 for you buy you.
And almost did be
and almost the other one. It's a canina cabo my 2.5 now, but you as Momo deduction. The 1% goes to the telcos and the 1.5 to a buy. Mami tell me
11 you call parliament.
11 no.
Yes, yeah, the
1.7.
The 1.75 is government. It has nothing to do with telcos for the no. The telcos money is there. No more than 1%. Enti Kwabena Kosisa ako send the 10 million. You better the 10 cities. Kanino. What does it? Say as Kwabena Kosisa eko send the 10 million. You better the 23 cities.
Na buy for say.
I buy befa 13 cities. You can't say 1.5, 15 cities.
Not telcos
for 8 cities. I feel what I say.
Hey, there be any idea na October Kumo.
Now they can't. Oh, wow, share.
Meanwhile,
boy, yeah.
Me, a free mra me take the issue of 11. Maninye da ebesine. Na maninso nye da. Kopim se me wu. Ene pa na me kasa asem wa charity for na hwefo. E da me take the issue of 11 no. Maninye da. Minim NPP. Minimum nsɛm a mo ka kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ atɔ Ghanafoɔ tiri mu a Ghanafoɔ gyina so to abama wɔ mo NPP printe kyerɛ Ghanafoɔ sɛ NDC-led Mahama administration ɔmo nya adeɛ economically, socially, politically bibia mu ɔmo nya adeɛ nti ɔmo ba ɛhɔ na yɛte sɛ yɛte sika so nso kɔmo de yɛn Ghanafoɔ nti asɛm a meka ne yie paa nyɛ sɛ bia meka ma wɔ bi hwɛ ɔmahene akrache 40 kura wo kuma se ha no 11 bebrenti ase ye levy no ehia nkyerɛkyerɛmu ye fabre e papa asɛm no mu ma Ghana 40 ase ye Ghana ni bia pempunto na brabom eye nokore we all accept it but yet ne say ubefa kwan bi so ye won hyehyɛ ne kwan ye fa so ye ka asɛm kyerɛ obi ma timi etona so na otimi a convince no the issue of E11 no baumia ya wudi economic management team animu no still an unyan convince Ghana for how with all the economics intelligence wo yi unyan convince Ghana for how
won say still
o man enya me kwa me say wo dia wo pa for just 5 course na busa say E11 ye de ne te do be ka kyerɛ wo
okay
Ghana for ntia se
meba on chain yen hwa de esaminu mienu a ye wo afidie so se yenya bre kyerɛkyerɛ aban ne emam man crofort na se koba se uko na ye ne akura no a ye ba be kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm no no aye kesene ne wo yetirimu a na ne ekoya e bai you see the party MPP omo communication edansuom
and yes egu
ade ba ko no say Yera Kenofori Atason Tiasia say he aired one before November 17th or Kokasaye no the party communicators what did they know about E-Levy?
Yo.
You kind of say members of parliament it was after budget no na MPs ni bebre mpunim NDC for na kwotwe E-Levy epie ye ansa na MPs ni bi kura kobusabusam Yera Kwadwo Ban Redu ya me fa ne kransie oye you know MP no ye minister no ebe 2 weeks among the budget aba otu niema bebre ba abontene ema centrafo akuku dam ewo mu no omomu hunu
ye beba
highlights of the budget no afa party communicators that time no do call abri no makotra bia 1 week now a kyerɛkyerɛ like yam questions a Ghana fo bebusa ne niema omo beye enti no budget ne meto ho no
ai mu adwuma wi
na ye cry a discuss wo na party for no so NDC for say omo be ready budget a ubon say Nuruddin mo the snipers of information no omo tutugum de be controversial no enti by the time I ba beto ho no Ghana ni ben on 11 17 November until January omo be page asem no man sana Ghana for everybody who does not understand anything will resist it. He should take the blame because at the end of the day who say fain crofon no 89,000 Ghana cedis every conference omo koye so omo ko kyerɛkyerɛ 11 mu 89,000 nya 890 million hey and almost spending on every region say omo de ko kyerɛkyerɛ 11 mu a kyerɛ Ghana for conferences no
what was the result
na sika ne mra no say 89,000 Ghana cedis no cap there 10 regions on Makobum 8.9 million Ghana cedis 11 is Ghana no akwa no mudie. It was a waste.
Maximum.
Now we talk about yes, and we so to warm crowd.
Because on my Emma Bufu.
Say I know me kwame wrome ho. Why demonstration?
Monya botra me. So e
kire na ye hu said e free mu ba na no ode.
Hold on. Let me chance. Kwasiado. Or National PRO, Mobile Money Business Association of Ghana. Nanado aton sa frɛ o mo so o mo nyina amra no o mo twetwe nkomo sa ne ate no I was me watching now what to say
about the identity wonko
yanyante sɛ Nanado Kwakufu ada aton sa frɛ mo sɛ mo mra no ne mo twetwe nkomo no kura wo mo ne sɛ
yo that's never when I can see social for no for Facebook
okay
no kura wo mo ne sɛ on 21st of January na 11 cents no ejana na so no as agent body ya de krata koma aban kesimu and members of parliament and other major stakeholders, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Communication, and National Communication Authority a petition on more omo kai bem aban
area. Send the bay a bit to know much as an agent body because any all grounds in even what is happening. The Enumu and last 2 senior letters from the office of the president wanting to meet us on the 8th of May with regards to the happenings and the way forward with the levy. To be tired, I'm not there.
It's the 8th May na Mukoshiano. Okay. For now, what is the agitation? What mobile money business association for no? What are you anticipating? I didn't know share any musebe free president munkomo maba. And I didn't come on Timemufono so catch them.
But that's president, the petition a command with regards to Nema higher levy pass here. But notwithstanding, ya pass area, but the need yama equal penny for National Executive Council. The person Asia. If you remember, a pass 3 no. About one thing, the effect another way forward. Or maybe I told you the teacher of mine. And so the phone with regard to that and so on. Let's just say education. Majority of Ghanaians don't know much about the e-levy. So the the first 1 week, there was panic withdrawal everywhere, and in a space of just a month or two, people were able to withdraw close to 10 billion Ghana cedis from the account.
Say 11 ebe told you say ya passing one. There was panic withdrawal. Say Ghana for the draw ko yi omusika free momum. And within a week na 10 billion Ghana cedis.
Yeah, 10 billion Ghana cedis in the space of 1 month. Now the action is
okay.
And the government is also meeting the targeted revenue. It's simple. Mobile Money Agent Association of Ghana, agents or my hanging Bosian will be at the edge. Mekano Cratcher say, and the Bosian Suno interest rate was so.
Yes, of course.
Bassa Noa, Emma, and Yakono, so Roka Bosiana, Babetina with Mahonanipa, Kituebi, and the Banani, but the room Pupana went to me and said, woman, I'm fast with the anywhere was to sell by Ejimano. It's now as an agent body, the major challenge I want to say, are buying to make loans or credit facility available to us at a very low rate. Send a deboa, ama agent, if it's many sika, if you have several customers, aboa increase the transactional volumes, if only transactional volumes are increased, and the deboa the targeted revenue.
Charles, my people say, Muhunu said, 1st May, say 11 take effect. Momo non crofon tans and Diana, Muhunu sana.
Baby. Mobile money acquires over Sika Dima, also in the crowd, right? Then my company in 19 years. Mobile money, no idea about the socket, the stress in the system. Because Abanons a service, and interestingly, the service the open and subscribe to. But according to who you are bringing, we need free money. Majority of Ghanaians are more outside the country. Almost person, Sika will be man, so much about my cheap, and the mobile money is so simple, and the amazing here to Mama, which you may send it wherever you are at the manor. Can you know mobile money remittance say will be a betrayal or discover no Western Union near the election? Yes, because of interoperability. If you say, and then mobile money no service that we are flying to me. Now, Obido cannot send mobile money. You can say, okay, the class will say or send the amount. So on Sabaka Usika free Nipan Hona, a better Kakaka, Uka was Joe.
Okay.
I say, Obefaka, Nipan Wakosushan, Oko Kotono, a whole lot of hassle. Mobile money, I'm telling you today, it has come to stay. But the issue is we need time to educate ourselves.
That's right.
And yes, I did know, a bit of Minia, I buy a crown hand a towards the end very simple man, because it is the only system a government with regards to mobilization of the funds. Because social would there real and a Jew. Transactional, it has been captured because the system is already there. See, and then Americans near the end, but no, Sebi, the Omo can say, Jitso now who you are.
Aha.
That is the only challenge we are facing here in Africa.
Just, the other way, Momo Agent Association, Mamina or Jai Sakas and my why.
I will go straight to what businessmen do.
Thank you very much. The name is Charles Akosiado, National PRO, Association of Momo. Okay, Monfan Kratan on the Daily Guide. says all set for Jomoro MP's trials. Ghana Post Boost Fleet. Opuni earned more than 25,000 monthly. Hey, CEO Sika no ya. Osi esebre. Abe your force esebre kasa asemwe. CEO su Jessica chairman penny. Esika omudie no. FedEx attract poor ratings. And only a daily guide. Oh, you need daily guide.
Yo, amame dase. Etie fo ne arefo. Anopai said you have been ponsuo bundi and yamu be ampam pa. Yes, you trying to mess your cocoa so see a best one on day. Will you? Now, daily guide about Cratan or Pebe just for your mammy doctors. Eh, 2 free coffee. Uko PM or Jomora. One am Rachebe Jenny or one na dual citizenship on some year. James Jachikwe sing saying off. Wojina man any monoman or one who should bim. Now, we said dual citizenship on anything. Say be a matiabro Chile America. Nemi kura American krata me ba be pepo si han bi wo man mu se empia mi ntwitwa san krata animu na masama ba se ma mi wano so se wano so e bi kura no ene ye hye ne to se pompontwe enti ye se wano so e be free na senie no ase ai na no pay ene daily guard obi e mu amane na papa opuni se de no man kan se wo akatu asem na esi ehwem se prekwa 25,000 Ghana cedis ena ba akofo no bosome won de ogini nyina no de guni botom no okodie ye no so wansem kratai ebu emu amane anopai a ene daily guide wono so wode aba na ba ko a aka no so eda ekire ha ena obisa se death penalty so bi akwa ebone a ebu ya no kumfo no eti no ye betwam.
Ghana. Let's get to the Daily Dispatch. Minerals Commission releases new procurement list. The Daily Dispatch reports Koa FS boss on world peace. Baumia has elevated Ghana's politics from insults and slogans to issues. Manasseh Azuri and Okasi, that's what you get. Baumia has proven he can lead Ghana after Kufuado. Hey, Kenoforiata. Now, this statement you have made is an endorsement. Security analyst applauds Kandapa for cautioning judiciary. Okay. Kwabra, Daily Dispatch.
Asama wakano me breaking it down has this here. O share the Obokata watu the Daily Dispatch and him say no. And now we can for Riata Nymphony daha. Na National Security Minister Yura Albert Kandapa so emphony da krata na se ni faso kakra na e bambo mu asem ma men hyase wo ho wono na obo abaso yi na upload nyina yi na wo kire se no kura nyame anim ni ensem ha pa na kokobon so edi akire kokobon ho asem nyina no pa krata edenam na asem a wo kan ya wo gye mode ma mesesi ano o man sa na hene Yura Kenoforiata Papa yesre yesako homa bosika na mpempi ya be kan mai na ba bia wo keka kon de ano odene dodo na gya ye mayen kasa weni ye kasa o na de wo keka ko de se obi so ba na obeka ma mood ba omia ho asem na odane no a asem na be kosen yesre mo ya monto mbo azika kra mai o na de ekobia yenim Ghana ha de ekobia na enim o ya na hu ya se mo na mba be ka the state of the country na kire you and also the state of the nation na kire you the state of the nation reflects what me kwabna me bottom. I know the state of the nation that mo na mo kan no because I reflect on me bottom. I don't think I almost say na inconsistency don't so woman kasa no no.
Okay.
We be kan no we be kan bi asem ba ko pe no abo ba ko si enyi ni ya mre no. Enti ba sa na ha twen. Na asem no wo de aba na wo kire se o mampania be de Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. Na ho na ka chen say MPP for na ba de. Eno kwa another question.
I'm bachon de the Jama MPP for. Na ko ani. And MPP for asem Jama.
Na me busa na ho na ka chen say MPP for member Bawumia ba. Eno so ho asem akrata e de aba no pay and some fufuro bi ka ho anopay. Daily Dispatch Edinam Boga Kobrai.
Okay, let's get to the Chronicle. No more room for water thieves. Minister orders audit for all meters. Okay, that's also here. My Lord, I don't remember Opuni's salary. That is what happened in court. Ajin Sam has no hand in our fight for justice. MPP Youth. Koa Global Peace Mission launches 5-year strategic plan. Bright SHS adjudged best private school. Let's hear you.
The Chronicle Democrat and a control boss na or the man Miss Cecilia Branda Pamfuni Ababeto and Masenina a atraya ɛhwɛ ahonidie hu nsensɛm so na ma me Cecilia Brada pa ɛkyerɛ sɛ wɔn tenase ɛfifi mu hwɛ nneɛma mu no wɔn ahu sɛ Ghana for dodo no a water bill wɔn mu ntua bunso ni free eno ntiamane won ma hyase ye audit no ne ade a meters ahodo a Ghana Water Company Limited e de som Ghana ma de hye no o ma hyase de o ma ni di akira efiri na ekọ o mo nhyehyɛ o mo ye no o mo gide wa rehye mu sese ne amanfo si bokro no entuatua water bill ne ade no eto betwa the Chronicle de Bokrata no aboso Dr. Stephen Opuni kane pene kwanchefo a na oda koko board ano ne mfoni eda Chronicle de Bokrata nanim na ni case no e wo court no ɛho nsɛm na Chronicle boy ɛho amane no na opani bia na oye managing director Cocoa Board entutua ne ade na oka ho bie Cocoa Board honomo Dr. Stephen Opuni case no enei wakwa akogina daka mu adansidie ne ade wodia na emra ya tutu na no court honomo no eno mu busa ne se anyem bia Dr. Stephen Opuni na oye Cocoa Board CEO no na onima ketua no ogi ana eno ru ana kyese nyamie nim ne bonsamatiko so kaso kaya no boa o say my lord mesremu a I don't remember Opuni na ketua na ogia the Chronicle of Bokrata
so onye controller account general all right, the Ghanaian Times says water for all agenda government invests over $740 million in 8 water supply projects. That's the Ghanaian Times. And then VIP launches. That's yesterday. The National Youth Volunteer Program was launched in Kumasi by the Vice President, the CEO. Hatije was there, and then a rep of the Asantehene Otumfuo Setua Bebiu, together with the regional minister. It went smooth. 3 children drowned in pond at Akwasa Hills. That is a sad one. Okay, I'm not supposed to see Brother Power Homano so. About Tampami Machio.
Yeah, I'm with you.
Now, Pom. Yes, yeah, who you pa, you know, body I say. Ghanaian Times are just a why if a fair now what Danny Moo, Babia, your charm for ni fair. Nina, you soon want some Nabaqua report to know what I say. A Chronicle, they all say, no more room for water thieves. I don't go for you.
I, we have a medical chair at this year, 18 one of pay. Namabo, my basso, and my palm. It's a mobile car, a katana musumo to us, a trade more, and a cock, a mamma, and sign 3.1. And I drew. It's a bomber, but so I no correct. You were unconformable system no more. Sabio, obey you soon, so here. Who could dine a car and the cocoa so. Now, officers, and then, Yamin charge the abbey for fine, so now we will let you create me redo meet them. And no, yet. And you will be more from 40 more for papa. Saying in our area, the Swamia, and now Bantama. Then the conquer for fear. No, they do a fat robot, not choose 3.1. It's be mentioned for BSC. Near a bank, near Ghana was a triso. Yamin Tade, a young squadron, almost Elnam. Almost a set of football, almost who be a boy a man. And they answer so yeah, the machines test and lines. Any who say will be easily gone. Them did it, you know, one eye, until I make car about water audit. You better quite see him. No, be a wound here, and number one, you will say.
Mammy, the always they go on idea and a pot in a wire.
Sumpana 3.1.
Okay.
The oil is Legon, dear pot in wire.
What the drawbang I can share, I got to your main to and watching Siono. What's that? I this year what Patamo in Aya Bino. On watching in I couldn't feel no Tom.
Hey.
I.
Now you say, Ubia Cotonsio on ho.
Ubia, no, we answer and the one answer I will do.
Ah, no, I bind Siono no mum. Mon soblete mano.
Oh, only license price for air commercial.
My God.
So, 3.1.
Your domestic use, your commercial use.
That's right.
It's a commercial, no bongo. And now, who is one already and I do fear, no bongo. Aye. It's only the any bidding on Eti e pa kwan so say e ka kire ne abo nyina ye ho koko. Obi a wo de ka se kakra to tetia na ewu so ahwo gupte. Obetumi atua ne nyina nso akotua. Na ga na wo kapo etu be nya adwuma. Ka omo ye no mo nto aso enye moa Ghana mai. Na omo a wo de afa ti kwan so.
Sompana 3.1.
Omo de bone de no omo be di no pa.
Mame asante bantem ha Kumasi titru buo krom ne important omo nsuo problem papa.
I no correct.
Say
Owabe is in 1926. And the Google Swan da no sa Baraketo so swake. Eti egusua ya ehwehwe bosia na dia betre mo sesi mu egusu den unim say okope bosia ye easy. Eti eguso ya kuma mo ade.
3.1.
And ye science wo ye friend say dredging I was say na sutobre Ethiopia yakogu Owabe ne Baraketo no na tumi ama Ethiopia betwe de hu dwuma. Enti no de no correct.
Right. Mami abrada pa ye beda say won Sompa TV and Sompa FM akasa. Nyame nchirawo.
Yo.
Okay. Now I think Ghanaian Times into Bono ano ne ntwetwe nkomo.
Yo, steady. O my ekano. Ya mami Cecilia brada pa na ye ne kasa na we Ghanaian Times dia wo ba no se agenda bi a wono ye ne water for all. Obi abenya nsua no ene bre ni bia ba di obi nkono musuo na abo na ntwie enso manum suo ukoye penafula ni na kabrofo a kire na ntwie no kr katakr owura ko gine dia so wa fa ba podi wa di bebo tirimaku
Ozi bravo hello ka
shie fulani obeka brofo a kire na kr katakr Bose
na wo go TV wa
na ntwie no e ba so no no owura ko gina kokko so na ntwie na be krim
o bravo dey say kr katakr
Ethiopia benya nsu papa no na ye 8 waters of private project bia one more ena dia no be yantia so esin koda mi ensa to nsuo mawu wa Akpasa Hills ya rehose na yesi mampani abedi e chenso National Youth Volunteers Program bia wa launch no na mabunu etumi adiwo no ho so mabunu ti say ya bo amanom ketachie
W Crusading Guide says government fighting corruption successfully through digitization. I heard something from the Vice President yesterday. He says that Kumasi Asante Kotoko and Accra House of Folk Kotoko increased its revenue by 100.3%. And we are told, sir, the Black Stars e-ticket, they raked in 14 billion cedis. It's unprecedented in the history. I say, Omo no mubebo chrono or gate nu nyina dano akotoko ha Sunday no. Omo say ya no. Ko wi ase no. Omo enya sika, omo revenue. Omo ne house abo no. Increase by 100.3%. Digitalization there.
Kotoko nya 6 billion as against ode kototo omo ne house boy wa kra no. Has in around 4 billion 4
billion
enti se wo de betoto we no kra no a omhwe attendance no some de compare ne course wa kra na
endorse
ekoepa
esen Kumasi
no kra no has in for 5 billion na we Kumasi dia nipa nkose ne na yisi ehunu ba
over 6 billion
na omunu say digital no see me yania
digitalization there
eni peti tenu yaso hebi no dos
de diaro kwa ko yi take it who go ji take it o diaro so ewade ya
e-ticket ne eye eboa no na ya ma process no so no emu aye mmere ya gum
sebe ya kwanya nipa be fast wanya e-ticket no e was education
sa kakra no okora stadium no because me nya experience baba ya sports stadium Black Stars match no me ya imagine say me contem me draw no around 4 na match ni 7 o'clock but me nya kwan stadium no na ya around 6:30 and to do baby no omo no mu ntimi and team ne ba omo kohwe bi ni ade no so mu bu gate no because feel say me kuta me ticket adentina o say me begina ha na yes we dey I machine na say we machine we the far enye ye say na ye try hwede na wo say omunya an alternative say nipa be 50,000 na bebu afa so sa no at least say amfa ye be say plan A ye we amfa plan B beba na be a plan C cross so abanti going forward no digital na de but edu baby a eya man nye simple nye ewo wo yensa no
and convenient
and convenient than say ye be ne chin.
All right,
even before that no kra no on say o fa process no wo phone no so a o ma hene na enkwose de eduru baby na ajame already no na Nigeria for no say o mo panipa dodo nti o mo yeso ko be to ticket no do say be ya nka supporting wise de betimi akosoro e wo mo side into mo frase ba mo te se etimi process bibia wo phone so ne ade no me try treatment ma kra ko hwebi me try on several occasions anye na me dem pemba bi kra tena ye
probably try
me pemba bi tena me ko ye den ade beba TV so manya bi ahwe.
All right, now let's look at the issue of e-levy. Yao, what is your understanding of e-levy? How do you see e-levy? For me, I don't see e-levy as a panacea to solve this government problem. I might say, oh yeah, e-levy. Maybe. But you see, when we go back, I know from 2020 2021, I want to believe was a little careless in his dealings. They had a lot of money, but as a coin be so sikanto to yeno. Nobody can say COVID and hygiene. But before COVID, na Ghana, ye jina brani pa. And then ya e-levy is the panacea. Yow.
COVID ebe high economy no. Russia akwa kantokwa ni Ukraine toko high economy no. But then people for nsusu mfenwa yaso.
Are.
I say bibi kitwa bia na COVID. Bibi kitwa bia na Russia ntokwa. Bibi kitwa bia na COVID beka economy no. Enema NDC ni other people ebusa say anyembia COVID ne baga na nko ana. Se ko Togo.
Yeah.
Eko Cote d'Ivoire.
Okay.
Eko Burkina. Ecuador, neighboring African countries near the day or my economy to say. You say Nigeria for esu and Nigeria journalists.
We confirm that the government has done a lot.
Yes.
They say a petrol about for my normal.
Yes. But almost still our memuno addition fee say government no any more
can do more
because yeah bread and butter issues no anye kasa bebrebe no ne ye de kwahye dum ene adan ye de kwahye COVID ye de kwahye Russia ne Ukraine for ntokwa fine aka wiase nyina enti ye ne dai enti what is the
solution? The dan was 30% cut from May July 4 from April. Yati o market ya so by 30%. Government appointees. DCs, ministers, CEOs.
Former President Mahama Peso yet 10%. One more 10% the Aquaco
chip compound.
Umusi say. 10% now. Former President Mahama Peso. One more catcher say omo tete. And if you market ya, any omala once is sono. Omo boa no go he. And I couldn't say no money Ghana.
Ministers need be opted out.
That's it.
Now my would say wa ketu ya wo jene bosome kura no betim de city compound ba.
Sompana 3.1.
Me.
Me pesa wo ti ase. Me pesa wo ti ase.
About carrier na nya me market ya.
Two bedroom house.
Oba ya obi tie no be man bia no pe ya.
Two bedroom house.
Asam na me pesa wo ti ase.
No that man you know about.
Akwata chips company ya ka wan say me 2 bedrooms. Who get 2 bedrooms there. Chips company we see no. Enti na do ba bia. Eya na me
chips company no yet to say.
Your friend say Haruna Yusuf mo. E ma chips company wu ti say na say okokukuru ya
bia ni ho palankwa
na bia ni 2 bedroom house no okosi o.
Well, my producer just said that they built 42 chips compound with that's
Akwata bibusa say ewo nje bia omusi bi wo achiase.
That one I don't have the details. I cannot give it. But that is what the producer just
politician there. See the politicians ye chia. Say ya me wan wasa manfo kwabena ka say oti say e-levy ba ne honto ne da na
honto ne da opimso obewu.
Anya kwabena bewu. Because politician there akwata de no mo ye no mo treke yen. How many times? ɛna MPP oppose ade NDC edeba in the end sadia no more oppose ye no
up no but even in the end VAT and tokanyina now VAT is 17.5 it was from 12 the MPP added 2.5 to it with national health insurance levy NDC eba 2024 nese fanse omo weni a Ghana ni be no say MDC ba obetwa yi levy
na no mate so omo say sabe jamfi promise say
NDC ba it's a lie I doubt that because eniama dia dance say omo ba omo de bi kwa beto so obetwa yi levy a se fanse e levy ma buy 5.4 billion and I bet 6 billion every year not with the ABB NDC ba also be year free
enye say so omo panyansa kwa bi so di to boot asa
omo de baba
enye na omo panyansa
ese omo se omo automate to booting
me dwene ho amante ase amama na omo kra wo omo bibidi no omo tua to amama America UK Germany anyone no ye come on mo ekope emwa no omu tua to e wo makwan so na ye ne a ye ni kapre ye pa ye ho ye
another reason was say Abino was supposed to rake in about 80 million Ghana cedis a month Obashano na bia tamamoto we nkwa ma 35 million now almost about 13 toll booths no almost 10 million people were chopping the money then crofo discount and you know who are buying and was offer another means like automation here we airport udun kaya how do you park your car obe pay abra ungo chat ticket
akonta ne o ye no otema no anu ntema wonya 31 million no e dey na si hu kwan so obe ye bi won ton so e dey na si hu kwan so obe ye bi wo adua kwan no obe ye bi wo mfansi kwan so
na monetary level kwan it say what was the monetary level
so what ma kwa ye automated ade e wotema e ma to buturu nya 35 million e dey ade na si ya politicians no kwan so mbe kwa sa ade ni bi won ton so aboa so to boot no mbe kwa bi wo mfansi na sa 30 million onya 30 million tonso onya 35 million e wo mfansi a nya no ane se wo ko anim na nya bia kra no wo munya ye no ene ne na no pay momofo ni busa say taxes ne nya se Ghana for ye se ntua o but ne etua no mo de ye dai 11 nya se Ghana for so mo ntua o
e abufuo no ye say
that's it
mo je ye to no a emfaso dia no sa
emfaso no wa he dia de na kire se meje otuo wei me de koye wei eye wei di ma
that's what my free SHS
na konta free SHS me de free SHS ni obi na impact etina MPP fo adwene ye omo say na omo ye free SHS nti no omo de baji vote omo nya 137 on parliament no free SHS no impact nya wa konta wa brabom ye de o man nkete obeka to say wo fase me nua be ma me nua ba no bi akwakofa me na me kohwe no can it to obejimbre no ana ne yesi ye kwakohwe wo fase o no fase no me nya bia 10 cities bia na me de ma no me 10 cities na me de ma na kese me nya bia broso ama hwe me yere ne me mawie ansa na ma pass
yes nye di panyina na sa policy no benefit enti wo dia no kira so say
that's it enti no manya 137 wo parliament no enti free SHS omo kra free SHS no emfaso a plan on de to ho so mo de benya mfaso afrisu ye de in the end san kwala 1.1 million na mo de omo ko free SHS no e mo do say ne to aba even on the election
so man strategize
that's it
at the time omo to afie
Ghana ni no ni asema ye ka ne no e ye bread and butter issues baba gina so be catch am say free SHS no me disika se me botom a wo disika se me botom me ba bia ko free SHS e disika de se me botom ye de anya so
one benefit a national policy somebody benefited
in total no se Ghana population 30 million emu 20 million kra benefit 30.8 emu 20 million benefit it 137 na benya parliament
okay
to boot na eba no aban no kan sem be me bo me nsam de ma aban no but ade na nkoye sa wo kase ye nuane mu asedi o madi dem and ye be hwese wo mbeka kwotena sa sentence no no manya baabi ya wo mbetena
ebi koi
and ebi nso koi
compare na mo de share ne nsa no afi na akatua no kra untu o mo kan say e ba sa ne government subletted it to a private company there were some na mo edi dem na mo ho but do na so se ne wo ka no amamusa
ne koksi sen
Eko see say you will be program.
One say ebra ye to abani wie ya ye bobo abani wie no. MPP as a political party, we know very well some stronghold in the Ashanti region. One say ye din, omanti mani omani. MPP was one tenase. Na almost strategy niema politically and economically. Sasa me metaka un. Sawuma adie bi di wutiri mu dem say, oh, I had a stronghold. Eno na ma nyame nko anka ma ha ma efa akunwa no. Eno na ma nyame nko anka ma ha ma efa akunwa no.
Nyame nko. Now NDC for
I'm telling you. On say MPP NDC for no kra no, omo ogide say aba no mu nyan. Because omo tie nkomo e course wo form. Bebranto aba no, o ma hin bebranto aba no. Aba na course bebranto. Say MPP for adwe yo omo say di for bebre di free senior high school no o ma hin nya free sa o. Ade ne ye ka ho asem nya better sa o. O ma hin me ka bibia say nansane ne me ko gira ba bi ton niema ma me sister wodi machiba o ma hin se me di tua school fees kura na am tin say ka me gen sasa. Se me di tua school fees kura
as it stands now.
Ka me gen sasa.
Sa school no chrono. Niema nkwala no toto e de kono.
O ma it's too much.
Peja.
It's too much.
It's
too much.
Green green akoda ne ko school bosume miensa no obetena fie bosume miensa me se ko petiche ni ama na be akoda na de ofie o because o tena fie me jane bosume miensa no ama ne tena fie ade na okosua
ni we be
fi ni nyina entina ke se ani ene ma me ntua preko no tena school mo no
no but at the end of the day yene e wo krokesie mu ye be kasa o. But the hotel crasia on so ne banko schools enya sa opportunity ne da yaw. Ono so ne ajepa. On say Timio, you are saying say the 30.8 no. And the enrollment has increased almost about 100%. It is because at a point in time no na akwada bi nya opportunity to go to the school. But can no and then no yaw school no. Even though ye bino, abino people are calling for a review of the system.
Exactly.
I was say abino tiasie, but the word review no abe political because the former president says that he will review free SHS and MPP said
obeguno. Obeguno.
That obegunu dey say na ebe also obechem. That is the sing song MPP interpretation of what the Ghana for.
Exactly.
MPP is running away from the word review. But baby akodoni amotra abeto sesiano. Free SHS needs a review.
Totally.
There was so much to share. And then maybe on my was say I'm buying my parents bem because I want to about my name.
School fees there. We say be a buying offer. So go atade a me ba be say dey so say me timi talk.
No, aside school fees no kwane niam nketenkete bi a wutua no. Aduane ho asam ye problem o.
Yes, because buffer stock now.
Yeah, the last time
they don't have enough food.
Me former station me can say me obi frame me now person we can't me. Ningina say
this time ya play 3.1 at least buffer stock ayade. Oma bomodin stock schools ningina but yebusa say ni sustenance
how continue
how long yeah
and
how long come meet you.
Oh say owura akwasi amu akwanta I mean Agric minister what saying
Agric minister akoto
Ebra omode planting for food and jobs by ye no. Be wo hotem go program na se. Omo launching wo go so. I was there.
No correct.
Emma omo hypo niema ma wotimi hu sa de ne be sustain. But my me hu no sa wo. Hwe emu bi kura ye de be man koda no. Ne quality level no kura wo form.
Sumpana 3.1.
Ba men ka se me cho. Che. Planting for food and jobs. The strength and dear NPP government Eddie Ra planting for food and jobs. They down mo ye no. After elections, and this because the Greek minister is going about to become flag bearer. Because the focus on the ministry no. But imagine say Greek minister also on position bia. And I want the remu 2017 to date no. On this ahode na. Oko Navrongo na oko Upper West. Or yeah, Juma we obesia party faithfuls. Eti nkomodie no dodo na no. Enko senior. Hey, I'm telling you for now. How many people and as a see planting for food and jobs? It's as if say you Mosukra bi o Ghana. People are not talking about planting for food and jobs. Yes, you are doubting yourself. Just last year, 50,000 metric tons and a 2021 budget. We are spending over $1.1 billion at the crack, jene, crack tomatoes, banchine honiema. I mean, what is this? Then planting for food and jobs so fast what they say.
Very good. Very good. Dia de kura na mabru no ejinja wo mo se o mumura mu dia
because even planting for food and jobs no it has become for the bourgeoisies.
Exactly.
Ni boarding and farming in Ghana nye easy o unis count me nye
kwa na first ba ko fet
unis count me nye kwa
and koko si wa manifest
by yan council say abai no e ma na nimra because when you talk about food security and aduane boarding
a national interest.
It's a national issue.
Yes.
Obiano bet maka say aduane boarding.
Yes.
One, wo share ya anano ifo no pano for no. Bebre ajai pano no to. Because I know the Russia-Ukraine war. Because they contribute about 50% of the world wheat and maize and grains. Ghana, ya to aba Russia, free I kind of say Human Rights Council Ghana on to be
93.1
on to be because I won't tell you yo Ghana ni Russia jadi grains in kwa 30%. And Ghana exempt nyom kwa was our 56 countries and to me but Ghana the reason no Russia na my bro ni atoko nom ni niema 30%. Tu ko tu tiaro no amfa ma ande ande nke ewu
asemo ye ke ye hunya ni wu ye te heya na ye dua bro planting for food and jobs
e ma ni bu ye
e ma ni bu ya be ye fofofo ne ye trase e na ye nuanom Burkina Faso ise o mo ka bi se
Mali Niger
o mo chi bro no koye ye te asa so ne ye tiri ye e na body ebu so Emma Asante Achima gogofo kra no e de bi ye festival afahye nom toton safre mpanimfo e mo mo kwase ye te ha e na Burkina Faso no ede ka akosi ho no mo twe bode ne nkakran ene bode ne bi wan ya society ha say yesi one district one warehouse yesi one district one warehouse ene me ko adwura kram de mani
ko ebi o kumawu
me de mani ko hu mienu a na esi adwura ba ye bu say ho say government e the policy beba one district one warehouse ye dua bro no busu no penkrata na egu onum na ban so se ye do ye kuafo no do na se busu a ye nya ye hwe ma ne mpro ye besese no na ye de akwakoguo na se bro ho ba be ye den a ye jagumba in a case ye tena ho na Burkina Faso no betwe de koye betwe bro e betwe bode no e de koy enne ye te ha sei ye se su se ye nya bro enti ye ni da Russia for so mbebere ye bro ye hia atoko wabra ye nuanom omwo sirem asasi da ho no kakraka yesi ye kwa kosi one village one dam e dia momo ekowiase na enki etu abura kra na nkeye sa dam no mo koye no
mame ma ohini ni ho no oye wo ba wo ko dwaso ejom te say
yo o my ye fan free e-levy e ho na ye di free e di be wie he e-levy starts no me kan say yanje antuma me kwa me demonstration after 204 my na me to London na me adwuma fitness first busumi bi etua me ka £1,200 ye dis kan be ma me na ka 900 o matsi wo mo de eno no dis
3.1
ye re Ghana obi ye mason ni akwaje contract obesi dan ne workmanship 50,000 20,000 ojia ontua to obi a
one city
no de artisans no de akodi ayeye kakra no a yetumi ten from source na o man be no ye serious a ye betumi dis ade we akekere o man no enti kaye pe common tax net e betumi akye nyina
that's right
ni ye kakra ni yetumi di aye wo man ni ye na me problem ne say yesi ehunu o mpese obehu biem ni ye jeje kane no ayamfa anya de papa bi enti wo bi abofu eno na me abewie se ye ntua enti kade sesem perifo ne ye ne se omo beba abonten no ma be kire mu yie edwom Monte so asori dem ama ni pati ase yiye na se bo ni po na wo soro a yate so ama na yese insensen fa bi gum na me fa bi ngum na ye nyina ye ni na ye nsentrofo no ye fa ye ni we ye chi se dia bade dia mu adidie omuni ko dia ka no ye bo ho ban na ye hwe so omu eye so mbe agogwa ye nu adi de be sie ani eno na ho ye we free SHS omai headmasters any headmistress no dodo no asabe eku adane akromfo ma ye kan say enkrante enkwadai hwe nkwadaa dodoyi say enkrante no a wo mo je no wo me de ye de
ase we wo sa se sia sa ma sheti no mo de ko enkwala 1200 obi a de sekan ba ase we
woman aye prime and woman ya no makotu ama wo mo
the headmasters no bi
epinom some sipino
ye di boko fie nyina o ma no
ya na sekan ya we asama
obi akura sekan
asama o hini ni kan ya dini hu yo gade say opokuare
ekosua de na
se eko school order ten ye bi omo ye be 600 and e fa wo mo obi a o sekan ba ko pempe was sekai cars for sekai obia de sekai 600 no
o de bedu do
e tia bi de obia de do
environment honum na wo
600 ni nyina do aba
mo bedu do ho
kaka entre nipa enipa bi wo Ghana hanu sia ya yire ya ho se ye bebo krono ebinom
Mr. Mamene Deputy Agri Minister Jacob
ene pa mo ne kura boy
oh yini yera ya from Bonado me mo ache
Omayini
eja ya mo akwa baba Sompa TV ne Sompa
with the was so name first call station.
Okay. About for to some for 17th November, edit to just say Ghana when it comes to importation of food stuff, any nyadwa no mete nyadwa jende ne tomatoes no ne bro no ne adea is in the neighborhood of about 1.1 billion. And they amount forecast as a bro boy dendodo. Ye nya bi kra ma poultry for sounds so and Russia to 20 importation of wheat from Russia. The bear pound and the pound will be born in 15 cities. Roma, what is the state of our food security in Ghana?
Baby a bit make chairman so many na umuti wa no pay ewo oju tidi so omayene ye kese food security a ye here pekese pa ni say diane wo omanu se ni bo ewo sumpo at least uti chansa sia na ko tuma obenya aduane ato and said say a combi NC ha said 1983 a contingent to be C 1983 no. Since that time, in fact, Ghana is not had a situation of food insecurity. They are everybody say around this time I tell my prepare something on a year no buy from. It is that time media 50 time I will be Saturday. And maybe around this the body.
Now you say seasonal. That's what you are saying.
But I say,
oh, can say a seasonal.
Yes. Around this time of year, a seasonal. The but I feel of course because the money they not just. That catch uncle for me say, what's it? Sabi so they be say if you are saying no. Because if you are saying Kakakani na baba a small global village.
Okay.
If you say obi bo wa baby and obi enyankonko baby. Oh, if you are give bia e be si obi asi be bia no ben say ka say fa ho. Say e wo sinsa so e wo yeso.
E dia ba na ma na ban ni to e dia go akwam e bro ne sa niema na. E be ma hwɛ animu no in as much as say bia e season a ye dua ne ade no Dear na ban ye de asoso man for no so said be ya. Aduane bo ntumi nhuri nkoduru ba bia. E de kasa be back room say omamu aye de omamu dodo na akoye aduane.
No correct. Those are bia say nipa etimi didi me a e ya o kasa bebe. Na o be de o dia me se jani no na se ni bo no koso se untimi to jani be pro. Eti de o kan no anu no abayin shisha aye bibi te say what you farmers know. Ade hi mu pa ye soya beans ene ebru. Na soya beans krampo de ye wo emre bi ho no ma untimi emfa soya bean na nkochi so abegi permit. Ewo ministry honomo PPRS the department dum no mo hwe ediane a epo memu na ediane a epo out 3.1 but abroad here na last year there 2 years into you say I will be painting as about to in the background no you need to change no or say akroma bia betwem honomo last year na if you say we ediane ama yeni buy hoso no na yenya no amama bembe no ababeche yenya no more
honorable ya frimpon edu me bia ya na aban so maso den kakra ye tra radio so be kai me no kasai ebo 2020 a deputy minister any minister ye bo mo kokose mumfa bro insie na bro no mo twekọ no e ho be ba be du bra ye ho be kire ye mantie yen
no credit na me fi say ebu o say o ma ni me so me kwani ni bio it be good price I me so me pay
now other they say warehouses no why are you not using the warehouses because
warehouses o ma ni say abi akwa mu na nka me no ekọ isi mu ma warehouse na kase na the people na yes the 5 northern region
na bajo ebrogum
yes ye ko be gambaka only one farmer now warehouse wajini nyina warehouse 1,000 metric tons no kwa ne bro apa ni nyina one farmer e wo gambaga
now you say warehouses no na enye enough ana
warehouses no e wo ho no kwa na ye hear more because last year say ye call sim the who me say farmers no be ye e fu nyantam omu hia even combined harvests but before that way come no 1,000 is the food here come na combined harvest net 4 but no say it's 3.1 I was I have to say it's here more combined harvests here more warehouses and now except buffer stock because I see except buffer stock it's me emma umunya edidi bwa umudie but if you say it's me emma more sika no mutimi to no at the time
Now, the buffer stock was established in 2009, I believe, by the former president, John Mahama. The purpose is to store. And you more the capacity to buy, to purchase there. And the buffer, because also I was saying my buffer stock, and they established buffer stock saying day because it should be fed. I was saying my buffer stock. I want to obey me at all. A browning in near man toto. Anna.
Me know you thing, but I know just say they are not working. Say yeah, buffer stock no
yeah, they are working, but I say what's what I say. It was CMO Muska, which means it should be a priority of the government.
Also, the can say ODB through government ODB support it's not enough.
Ah, okay.
Because the buffer stock and the school feeding program in
3.1.
And then free SHS. Those are feeding all SHS students, or including those students. You feed you. You know, buffer stock na maumu ediani. It is the stock na a becano. And I say, you're born by the and continue.
Honorable fertilizer. Honorable Yantiasa fertilizer shorty because of the Russia-Ukrainian war. Ama isi ano Yantiasa Dangote ebie kese pa. Why not just all supply Ghana? No kre wom say koyani empatism.
So say normally before
3.1.
Yeah, before orders data. So most of our suppliers no more orders from Ukraine and Russia. As I know Tokano started. Now I Dangote there by also after Tokano piano.
That's right.
Oh, it's arrangement between all these are private sector
suppliers. It's the arrangement between them and their suppliers. We are encouraging them to be whatever we're putting in place. Supply. The same idea. No one what has happened in the world? Yes, quantity now.
No question say fertilizer why thing.
I mean to be no encourage say why because after no suppliers somebody buy distribution to the regions.
And because of that tonight say e bo no so ahuri me boa.
Okay.
Aban je say obe subsidize the fertilizer. See a crabby ho. Eti aban ne be ye betimi ayesa adwuma no. Ama akuafo anya fertilizer de adua bro.
The budget in the 2022 budget no. The budget say the fertilizer this quantity ebeba oma we mu at a certain cost budget amount e dey show. Now because of the reality never say the 100 million and the share wa quantity na e benya no. Because of
now, no. What is the policy of the government? Is the government going to sell it out in full without subsidizing an asset day? Say maybe I'll be a maybe what is government
subsidy. No, the idea is that it is this way. A person a preventive smuggling because even the quantity now you bet you make see it. You buy now you smuggle and see your man with more. You've been enough fertilizers in the country, and I have to promote organic fertilizer. A lot of people do so. I just so as I say, for producing organic fertilizer, Zoom Lion, you see a lot of compost plants in the regions. We are encouraging them say, organic fertilizer.
Okay.
In case we see outside, I affect it. Or that's where the attention is going to be.
All right.
But in the meantime, Kakane Bebano, Metrosa, Digua, Commission, the Bear, smuggling, at the coffin. So, when to me, just the crime coffin considerably. Said, they are yet to me, and Kakane Bebano, I'm a farmer, Snipper, Yamiadum, and soon after, I started to at the right time. The Bob Pie, Kakane Bebano credit, Mark for now.
Yeah, Ghana for nyina yen ka mom de monpae. Honorable ya friend Paul Ado, Deputy Agric Minister, me da se anope. Nyame sha. Okay. Nyame ehira mo pa. What e kwabra kese kamote. Ya bo ama libia boga so. E na ohini ni amakranche. Wono so so wa hanom. Ono an so so ne.
Sampana 3.1.
Your love's intoxicating. Why'd I have to taste it? 'Cause it's much too good to waste it. So baby, let me love you. I'll place no one above you. 'Cause I'm hooked, baby, on your love. Just because I just had to wet my whistle. When I kissed your lips, girl, I couldn't get it. I had to wet my whistle. Just a little bit, baby, was much too much. My whistle. First I was only playing. Now look where love is.
Okay, welcome back to the studios of Sumpa 93.1, also live on Sumpa TV. Na anopai yasune tie me kakra me won sempa bi edemau. Miss Amami Kanyina, and it's a Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. One more, Infia would do a brain, no more di Juma. One more time, say, oh, member, a pomudine, my Ghana. Yaya, one day, call your Numa Swakoya Juma. The best solution to your ailment. Say, Bassa, we are dear pie. Grace Gift in turn room mount. Grace Gift to Mauba or Nasia. One more, you show more gem. I just show with dear, I just show dear no maka say, woman who say, Olaki ebia vitamins, and I say, Bia Olaki certain things be a nipediem. Now, one more dear, qualified professionals, woman with dream more, now a Dr. Grace Boadu, or no, and a Jumedi in Shannon, stroke. Or more, dear be a friend of the miraculous leaf. What the horse said day? You don't transfer, sorry. Stroke. As I said, near me, what I have by any mono, a bow round nipedium, na near my touch my nipedium, na koyen in Yakama. Diabetes, a dunya. Some pana 3 Mammy, I would tell me, and a juana. Pressure, and then a humachi, a mouse one go confanochi, casam too. Hypertension, pa, a dunya. Hepatitis A, B, C, D, and E, and easy. Typhoid fever, malaria, and on the end, they acquire get to be peptic ulcer, any ulcer name, a young crow. Oh, Debbie. Bema, and they are dear back with kunipa prostate cancer, any enlargement. Or Junse near the catheter concern the Bemem. When you know, Bapa, Grace, Doctor, Bodu, what Tunsa from Brana say, na Bema be on man, Bema no Yamini. A prepare dear, you shot into all your bow question because I said, back and your dear no. I want for a castle because me whoda. It's you on no ababa. So call obey ye, I did not to the same or when Robbie or the back home. I want to ask you. I feel once I need jab a fee. You're the friend of Baba, one who says, see, or to the vagina steaming. Ya won near maybe or mobile ye. Do binum near maybe a best sending her baby a ma won out their coffee. Who rub a gaya was yes, you won't. That be beer ye come on. A chissa. I don't know, Batman Casa. Tiabe Batman. Come on. Now no free honor muswa. Opa war. Bosumi and fear numni a dear cheek. What the abon ye? Beman or bar, and your beman kwa bankwan and war. So opa in a santansa. Mesrawa for niche a year Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. Bema I am one pem your bon pompia cascara for niche Grace Gift, fibroid, skin infections, Nina, STDs, and Namu ya dear be a cotier piano. Oh dear, your Grace Gift Herbal Clinic and Laboratory Services. Na Kumasi or Shrimp School Junction. Odo anicha by Casequano Sono. Ubahuya ho. A Buaka Cofordia, so Gao Fuel Station ho pay. And cried there a new Achimota Petroleum Bungalow. Opposite Family Life International School, Honomoni War. Brandon and just drink come off friend. 0246 51 8003 0246 51 8003 0246 51 8003 and 0543 320030 0543 320030 and 0244 126 123 0244 126 123. Accra branch, you know, your nice facility. So person better on admission and accommodation. Oh, him so your double with restaurant. Tomorrow, human important mina. So I'm going to soon come to for Grace Gift Herbal Clinic in Chaobano. Diani Bia is open to the general public. Now, so could it be? Nebi Bianya Day and Koso Kama and Famao. Me was the Deputy Minister, former Deputy Minister of Defense, Major Retired Derek Odro. Nemrane ana na hote din uka se dero obeje oso kama saso na honorable Haruna Yusuf, former MC official ono anso see idea bebu say no say he was a student lawyer the last time we a student lawyer now called to the bar already very soon to be called to the bar gentlemen me mamu nyina achi makwaba na mo pom to say I don't Yusuf we law school no yeah,
opportunity to get to the
professional law school. Okay, we LLB, eh? Congratulations. It will be, inshallah. Thank you. We believe in quality. You ever see to say we'll serve you.
Na yem balance issues no
issues in there said there be a balance no oh baby how they shall say he wants to pin me to the wall
oh no I'm not
that was a
suggestion at all
anyway mami ti wa no
me papa ba ko Dr. Opuni me chiana no pa ya one of the best Ghana has ever had and still running
Opuni
Dr. Opuni
Cocoa Ball
yes
Okay.
He made Cocoa Ball what it is today.
We'll come to that. Let me welcome Honorable Derrick Odro, Major retired. Me pa now pom to say.
Me hoya pa.
Bibi aboko.
Bia dedi.
Okay. Ya mo akwaba ensoso. Okay. Anope ya trans ya enkomodie no ye hwe omammo ne oman no mpuntuo ne oman ne kankro. Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo Amie who the state of the nation. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia has spoken about the economy. And then he said something at page 3 that all about the economy is your pocket. All about the economy is your pocket. Name there are certain causal effects. And causative effects are Amaya Bedru Niedri. He talked about the banking sector reforms, COVID, and then excess capacity o man pani dada di jaye afei ni asaso so ahwe levy the way forward yempo aban no di aba that the government do good to Ghanaians and I say twamene bo anasa aban no peso sisi yen enti no ope sika na sika no so Ghana for are we ready to pay this morning? Let me start on the economy issues Omampeni abedi che aka ho asem no with Haruna Yusuf. Honorable Mamintiu on the issue. Do you agree with them? Say excess capacity. Yes sir. Aban no ekoji enyina ahoden hu hia etua almost $1 billion. 25 billion to banking sector and COVID. Omampeni Omampeni Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo says 17.7 billion spent. Dr. Bawumia to say 8.4. At the end of the day, Chemwenra, Deputy Minister, Debre Yene say, Sasikano, it depends on where you are standing to take it. Direct and indirect is 17.7. They had about 25 billion. You see, Sika COVID, the Debre Ghana is 34 billion. It almost say, even if it is 17.7, they are kind of way. Omo abema list of issues of the Mami Tianope. Mami Fantu just say we are live on Facebook. That is Sumpa 93.1 FM and YouTube Sumpa TV. Go to the notification, just click on it, subscribe and share for others to also be part. And then you penny for in some mama Ghana. Manonko.
Na ya cheti for. Na ma chia Muslimi for nyina. Holy matter.
Time no say I no pay 15 to 20 minutes.
Okay.
Uninterrupted.
Me that say.
Kasa.
Machia Muslimi for aka kira mo say yen shede. Na said the Islam ra kire fa akom chene ho no. Emra se bi ya do ye ona wonni bi hu momobo. Akom chene no is for a special purpose. Apart from say spiritual benefit no. Esa ma wo ti ohiani na se.
Sumpana 3.1.
Ma wo ti asese obi a ekom din no sei na ofie.
No nya na dwe say go onidi o.
Onya na onibi.
Onibi nti na komodi na onidi.
Nti a kire se ye na ye wo bi kakra no. Ye momoden se ona onibi no nsambe so.
Okay.
Nti na ya na mpanifo bi a omo ye dwuma si ye da o mase no. Esan se adwuma we wa BC no. Apart from so benye ne sika no. nipa ba ko mini bi won ma se bi nke bi adwuma se be ye omo ho de
yes
ne mo nam se adwuma wa bi ni nti ama obi nya adwuma ya wa yi ni firi ba bi
have almost about 20 to 30 people working.
Nyame ya on trail
amen
na omutim nya sane menam boy o ma hene
yes my brother
amamu a serious business ana aya munya sa lumping together no the NDC is a distinct political party ye very very serious sa MPP so ba o modern de ni enye enu ne de na die se nya konya se bebu o man na we put measures in place and I'll just let you know these things.
Okay.
About we by 2017 in Okofa 120 something ministers. 25
127 totally.
Ministers. You go kind of so he's in a hurry. Or pentema ye niema amagana afane ntuma pafra. O mine 4 years atwa mu no sa 25 ministers yi pa 125 ministers yi. Emfa so depart de ba Ghana e de bre Ghana. On see yamfa adwene nko ye musa o mun sansem we. So this is very serious matter. And about governance issue no, they did a lot of charade. Abanwe, a collapse local governance. Yet to grow my young cafe. And Omokofa be a fan of development authorities. And Omzakofa defend special government special initiatives. And also buy. And some of the 1 million constituency neighbor. So claim say 1 million when the special initiative ministry no. On my hand, what take stock? A day no me ye within a 4-year period. Oba offense wa na offense new town market. Now we hold my man for ton yema wo. Eno mu bugu ye say o mu de sa 1 million no or scale free special initiative ministry no e ba be si. O ma hene me no kasa nei. Radio and the akoya market ni si wa na ye nwie ye ministries no special initiative ministry ye gu no. And so into e gina kwa ye nwie ye. Offense market central market or the same new town market. It's what CCI. You sa particular special initiative ministry.
93.1.
And also I call for development authorities by. Then no ye. Omu tunsu no mo ye toilet. Nti sa na mu assemblies ni ntimi nye. Nti o man first ye kan sa asem we. Assemblies ni nyina gu. Because nothing is happening. No money, nothing. For the past 5 years. Your checks pa. You see this time media no very critical. Nti na me say, man fa MPP nka say o NDC for say no. Let's deal with them. Fa would you take a stock say emra NDC be 4 years and your mama time no. Assemblies dey projects no mo ye. MPP be 4 years.
Projects 93.1.
Kemi Swami Highway. E buy sa Swami Assembly buy at least about 4 years ago.
Yeah.
Fine now say Swami Municipal Assembly. Di empower no ma ye e Kumasia. Then you will understand what governance means. When comes the economy. Dr. Bawansi, the economy is what you feel in your pocket, right?
Yeah.
Or say, send your bottom tiano. Sana economy.
Everything about economy is what you feel.
They have failed.
They have failed?
Me na say me catch it out. O mine auto fuel. And they saying me ban diesel about 10.18 pesos. 10 cedis 18 pesos.
93.1.
10 cedis 18 pesos. And no pay me buy.
A liter.
Na yes saying. Na the whole gallon you need to is about 16 Ghana cedis. Let's take it down. And they're almost about 50 Ghana cedis. Fuel. And sometimes look at some of on program.
They explain on the world market price.
What is it about world market? Even before this, 2018-2019, FS committee be put in place. No?
Yeah, almost say the
financial stability.
The dollar 2019.
And even before COVID. Let's be consistent. Let's stop the lies. And what will be a committee who said Dr. Bomino on count.
Yeah.
Were you not curious?
Me Kaiser na Franklin Kujo and some other people.
No, Moka home. Then the film buy. And the dollar near saying 7 cedis 40 pesos. Oko black market, I wouldn't 7 cedis, 40 pesos. 8 cedis and above. That's what we're talking about. Oh my now one now me person first sectors and one after the other. Issue to do with
3.1
COVID, even COVID. President Carter is saying, now young countries on the economy, no, Nipa Miensan deliver statements on the economy
from the
president by, finance minister by, and son of vice president. It tells you that nothing is clicking because if the information is available, one person and a woman, they are giving you different source of information. Presidency has spent 17 billion on COVID. Was it 17 billion on COVID?
Yeah.
Vice Presidency has spent 8.1 billion on COVID.
8.4 billion.
So where almost source of information where he? The same government too. And yet in this in the kind of work I say, quote from different sources. The same government. One chose to use $17 billion Ghana cedis. Obisa use 8.1 billion. So no cry no why na ka no cry. Into two who say contradictions where you say o man kasa nim na omo ye banking center cleanup. For me I say Bright Simmons. Obusa asem say from 2019 yenye figures different figures. At the point I know say 11 billion. At the point time assistant Bible drew 16 billion. And then from 2021 almost say 21 billion. And they say which one is it? Omai no one say omai bi ase start to say ya. Almost a moon
3.1.
Omai ne shas ya say
ya. A moon penny for kanokre. And the moment obi say penny en kanokre no. Sa feel ni fie biem. Because governance is about being candid with the people. Look, I'm for to Abamawa. At a point in time, there will be difficulties. If there are difficulties, be candid with the people. Share, you can see a one-time premium 2009. What happened? You buy per checks, it was not possible. What did President Mills do? Catch the man for say, you can see a one-time premium. But if share health insurance,
Ghanaians feel you never came to them to tell them you're sorry. You never did.
I am making a point today. Say that statement was made very clear.
By who?
By the government, President Mills and Kasa, and making that statement. Say,
I don't remember hearing something like that.
Well,
because the reason why I'm saying that is today, a lot of Ghanaians say, and even your opponents in the MPP say, you said you were going to give Ghanaians one-time premium. You have never apologized to Ghanaians that you could not do it.
Is he?
So probably maybe you have an information
taking responsibility is very important. Yeah. We took responsibility. Say one-time premium, that was not possible. We never liked
3.1.
We told them the truth. President Kufuor did say.
I remember President Kufuor.
Okay, say ministers are not rolling the boo or mine and also.
No, wait, you know,
so you didn't know that was what.
That is why I'm asking, where did the former president, the late president, said that?
You Uji President Kufuor.
No, because President Kufuor, NDC as a party says
we have made this point.
You use it as in a discussion. Say Nana Danko Kufuor is not being truthful, and I never be oye no omejin tum onye muko to President Kufuor. At the back, that's what
NDC came out.
Okay.
In 2010 to tell the
Thank you very much.
I deal with now.
Verify.
And yeah, they beat my one-time premium.
Okay.
I expect this government to be very candid. Toba kaya aban we neighbors o maka kire say yeti sika so come dey
no correct
Dr. Bamu ka kire en say ono wo yadwuma Bank of Ghana sika wo ho pa ye hia say baba bosia omo ba ye besi ne Ghana bosia koduru say say your debt to GDP is about 85%.
I think the latest is 83%.
Sompana 83.1.
Let's take it at 83%.
Yes, very huge.
Sika say na aka wo de be yempuntu juma. Sika na say na aka.
Okay, the debt to GDP no NOBT wa be che mu say.
Say debt to GDP say oji let's say
I say waji sika oha.
Waji no man mu nyina. Dodo no a. Say wo tax revenue waji nyina. Dodo a ekokotu aka ne de aka.
Enti uji oha.
Say oji be oha.
Emu adwotwe miensa
adwotwe miensa de
ekotuaka na aka 13 17 cities
wo de ye den enti wo hwe aban budget ya omo project e ZDC omo rezi omo expended nyina be about 137 billion Ghana cedis no a
Sompana 3.1
113 de eye ofa ye katu asem ye kai betua ene ye kai betua ye katu asem ene the fen amortization one who say agide bosia amere so ebetua o kan nyina bomu a e ya ba 130 ene kra your deficit dada into opia say aban ka so be raise 137 billion no e se bobosia kase pa ena kan vote be ka kire say omo pese omo te expenditure we so by about 20%. Oye calculations na emfa
so pass we say
nya what so about 27 billion. What is 27 billion free 137 say Naturally say non-discretionary no crowd. They won't mean you
110 billion.
And so this is the reality of the economy. See Dr. Banwaka was it when the why economy now interest rates in the
when the fundamentals
are weak, the interest rates will expose you. When was the last time we tried to so when the fundamentals are weak, it doesn't mean when the interest rate is going high, it doesn't mean that the fundamentals are weak.
Sampana 3.1.
Can you imagine that? And these inconsistencies, a man frankasa anya GDP economy dada. So from 2019, the economy from Laporte, they be a quote.
But they will quote that as at 2019, debt to GDP was about 62. So for it to rise to 78 in 2020, it is because of COVID expenditure.
Unim, COVID babe boy. Ade aboa ma oban we park say COVID.
Explain.
COVID nkwa ma ban we over 30 billion Ghana cedis. Nka ebenya size kan wo he. COVID nti business transaction is 3.1. Ama you tutu ye bodem one na ekwa abonten ekoye transactions a ebema ye dollar na akosoro. Nemo immediately dollar no I mean ye bie ye borders no. When we say man for asati e2 kwan yayi. So it will expose you. So that is not true. Even
COVID for you COVID benefits are buying.
Even COVID impo buy. Kaya President Kwan was COVID and was spending saying 17 billion. Now we are vice president because I was spending saying 8.1 billion. So why
Sampana 3.1?
And how do we account for it? So Kaya minority table motion of parliament say young audit account of the COVID expenditure. Omututi. Yamba wonyen wa open up. Ade ba kwa this government is averse to is openness. Okachere ne say
aban ne niema mu na fine.
Emre bia na opese o close in on things. Say da bia wunhunu niema ekoso. Let me tell you, baby ye babeduru a wasteful expenditure and am ye beduru hasi.
Wasteful expenditure. There's a
maka issue of the
okay wasteful yan kan twi. Wasteful expenditure.
Abani ye because me win hian so ye. Hwe development authorities no. Emphasis be pan de brain. Do a check on that.
Coastal
development, I mean
middle belt,
nothing and then for so part the brain. Nanke dem for so brain. Adan at this time aban atwa ni nyina. Ade a wo de aban dem for so brain. Wa fa nipa, wa toto kasa ma wo mu. A whole lot of things. E dem for so pan de brain. Sa special development initiative minister make am asemi. E dem for so na de brain o man no. Aban bia amobodin bia na assembly na amomodin.
Sampana 3.1.
So kwa nre bia na di bia bo aban na chi na emanko assembly ni hwe nkoso. Ene man lose ni seat in the 2020 elections. Omodi be na sometimes the outright lies ena DKM where president mama yir dia way 2016. Then 2020 and I'm for so see DKM ni wenum nyina ye president mama yiri na yidie dia then prosecute them we anka bibia amfa ho ye hwehwe mu no se ma mo kan nyina enye nokre in Kranza South and North
Sampana 3.1
because the people go to know the truth. I say kai economy ko ho asem krampo no a primary in Kumasi here I say kai catch 2020 ye ko 2020 election say that government failed. Nti me hu bibi se enka Kumasi mpuntu azema because mpuntu be na eka ho asem die abani ye no reflect in Kumasi ema obia gidi se MP se wo Kumasi na amoa bibia ne ma omunko nti amania abani ne nkrofo ahunu nyina enye se obi wo babia we bibio abani na nkasa ne nhihye wode to fam no amoa obia include the government. You will agree. Agric planting for food and job ofre minister and asema na okachire o into with the kind of crew minister na woni ndi nkomo wie nyina na sem papa be pa na okan onim ne wo kan kora he's doubting fertilizer na saying he's not even to tell you say afiwe aya komu fertilizer say na hwehwe ma manfo no me I believe so much in government intervention.
Okay,
fertilizer boy din akuyafo no nya bi hwe upper west menua ba ko ho no yara fertilizer as of an anno na 50 Ghana cedis 500 Ghana cedis
500.
Bag about 500 Ghana cedis. Yara. 500 Ghana. No, in 2 weeks time. Oko na kai 400 Ghana cedis won nko wan to. The next 2 weeks 500 Ghana cedis. And the price keep increasing. And there's a price in the cost. What is government's intervention? What is government's plan? Because me say, yeah, o man say what to come say ha. O ba ka say planting for food and job na ya adwuma pa. It is never the case.
Who offense so
I'm telling you, me am kasa me nuane me ankasa no me akuani. Man me wa befu.
Enye adwuma.
Sompana 3.1.
Share President Mama time. Yeah, the fertilizer check we for free. We say we ya.
Yeah.
President Mama, no, anytime because Dr. Puni is one of the best things we have. And I hope say going through this process at the end of the day truth to come out. My who said twist say after in the salary assembly was that what they went to court for? When the Dr. Puni court to send a salary or any money charge. You went on a specific charge. Now you see the diversion. Now the whole director no say we name Dr. Puni's car no waji. Nyankopon ade
Sompana 3.1
ni nyina hwesere tie nti ofa agre hwe unu so maboka bi pa Dr. Punita no on fast one eba ma oman no with all the cocoa roots see cocoa board edika ai bochi sika bubuja. What happened? Moko jibusia na be unu see sika edi to cocoa kura bi ni ho
syndicated cocoa loan beba
apusi say ya jibusia no nyesi ya for this cocoa season and so you talk cocoa in this country for no
I feel so cocoa government is touting itself for having over 1.04 million tons.
That was the previous year. This year Omato say. So you see Aban way inconsistencies, no comprehensive plan, no policy for any sector.
No policy for any sector.
Yeah. Why is the
That's
policy?
a serious statement.
Agree, no. Why is the policy? Planting for food. What they do is that with the slogan, but there's nothing behind the slogan.
Let's say the government is full of slogans.
But nothing is happening. Okay? Education. Wait, let's watch there. Oh my, when him says a CI, no, at the basic level, there's no standardized textbook. No standardized textbook.
Because the standardized, I would say.
When a textbook, you need to into private schools now. Obia kofa book bia na o de chirade. Something happened to my son. Book na o ko school. And I say private schools, yeah, almost some questions from different schools.
Yeah.
Book na de chirade no. You the book for na set questions no. And the buyer and the performance now madam catch o catch them and madam say what happened? And I say book na o money tell madie no. The questions were set from a different book. Oh mine, where are we going? This system of education here, they quite almost free education. Oh mine will be prospectus of Gojinano.
Sompana 3.1.
Prospectus 1,600 free education. So what is this free education? Oh my, what is this free education? Now, Bomodi no schools, you know, when him say almost from last time, schools, you know, a beverage in Kwana Modeman Kwan, Panon Town.
I sent to no
million kwa Panon Town. Me Moscow be a dean for the sake of our discussion. By behind the sound, tell you check. Million kwa Panon Town. Is that the free education? So, and then make us a ban way. Whatever they have done is slogan.
Sompana 3.1.
1 million per constituency. Constituency bank, municipality bank $1 million coin for a year. And as media and one, you need to help us by first checking these things. Now, boy, and now man for fresh Dr. Baumia Mekas no. Yes, no minimum so beka BBAO. But in summer or car from 2016 no. Now man for say and to name where I see you now about that's no Besabeka. And he justified that because he only recounted our issues.
Sompana 3.1.
What to abaya baya? Would duty nisa obetana and wine share a best solve a man for problems. The problem is in him that they know about country or cottonasi. So what is the solution? Into a can win in a year. What is the solution? Digitalization. We. Is that what will solve our economic problems? See, Obiam Peso Boy Busian.
Yes, because the Fitch and Moody downgrading us on the basis that we cannot raise revenue.
So man, transfer no downgrading.
Yeah, they've realized the ability of government to raise revenue also give confidence of the international market.
One will say, why am I rigidities? No, say, one who down the bebo Bosiano, no Tiano, Ubia who say, won't mean to ya. Government, almost defaulting to pay its external debt. And to go back and say, why name for Anna, a month for who say, a middle like an operator, in the budget, none a month for 30 years, and a mini music and come baby. Because our budget already they say in far Biama. So my year I'll lose my money. They started withdrawing their money.
Lot of bond.
Well, your tone or to 4 born or con baby. So that I
also saw the pressure about dollar.
And I own Sarkas ya on the back room I say on my cast MIA. Nizan no how
VW.
What is the net effect? Or ya cannot tone we are. Sikananka kurum how for the crew. And this Nizan name why I did buy a CB Beckham with Pano. On Becromuta tax. They want tax holidays.
No, but a buying also who say a technology transfer
to who?
To Ghanaians. Because our mobile swab Ghana for a better cast now, assemble cast now, in the near future, no Ghanaians will also take it up.
When your transport minister Busan say, as soon as buy Ghana for saying a form one or Muye Jumanoa, Omusia baby. When him say we or when you're passing over how
they assembling.
Yes, assembling. Not a fit of where some for yes, I know ye. Omuya Pramana Brosa. Assembling Quana Sank the pass by a swim for Mutmakasi and need the screw a boo boom baby. Come and manufacture the parts here. Let's see how the manufacturing is done. And the final technology transfer.
3.1.
So say technology transfer there. So we and how many people who say see a PC boat we are quite fast. And now we transfer technology. But why you will be here where we buy okay carbon? Say I'm fan not to move. Now we mind we the motor see was here for possible for screw the bomb I want to mean. We are now or tone now we are now a sense scan or dollars now the con.
That's for you the emphasis one is
emphasis one listen my the net effect. A buyer can say ye pass law no a restrict cars be the backroom.
Yes,
I'm a man for because much on that side. And so sometimes me say buy with policy no say what is slogan no pan or ye.
These are buying their slogans.
Slogans nothing. Say economy no someone say the economy is what you feel in your pocket.
That's right. You have 4 minutes of it.
Ghana for kodum de bia o ma hene niam a woto anopa one panel motia before you buy. On say ma me no kodum no recount e niam a o hia na odwom ho. Me wo video bi in fact e ma no ye wa manfo say when him say geisha soup say 7 Ghana cedis. Geisha soup. Me to be na no geisha soup.
Sampana 3.1.
2 cedis 50%, and there is 7 cedis. Geisha soup.
Samana
geisha ye di dware 7 cedis. Miss Makra na no koto buy. I was shocked. Geisha soup anye bibia o samana ye di dware. Na mu no ade ye kan ho asemo de. Nti na o say na minister na o say ono no de ha no anye cost o. The availability of the food. Na say food no e wo dwom ho. Na say woni ska o de koto akomo no. Nti aban ni nhihye ya wo de be ya ma food no aduane no abuso na price na abafom. Ono de say wo ho nko a na say boni board nkra de a ene aduane wo ho no. Deputy minister na sama wo ka kire wo no. Nti na me ka sama kan kan pese obusa no say nti nhihye e ben na aban aye say
asked him.
Aban aye say aduane mu. Wo say want me ka dan.
Aban no nso say e fast ade no ne.
Buffer stock. He was guessing around. We a buying policy, you should have full grasp on it because a buying will be even say by be or not want to mean DCB chief executive be will be that person can really provide with information. But it's like you independent be free into what or say be a minister but nothing. Again, government is just putting people together. I say, oh ha na would be about on so many can be no call.
I don't understand.
Say say
o say aban e can ni problem say o so medibi.
Yes. How? And the sticker e can say me anano say or ka ono kwa sa. Yes. Sa deputy. Yes. Deputy CEO so na de nka nyi o mu nyina mfirim. He said it. Because that question was pushed him by Samson. And okay, say, in Kaonon Quadanka, deputy CEOs now didn't in now say MPA, Mustafa Hamid. The Watoye, Ewa Honum, who appointed 2 deputy CEOs. MPA, no say,
3.1.
A car, but Tamanu Munina. In Tabanwe, it's just a mess. My expectation may be different. Don't expect anything to change. Expect us to
Ghanaians shouldn't expect anything to change.
But
why are you're supposed to be bringing hope to Ghanaians, but as you are rather thinking as
you're one of those people. Say one who say be real. I'm a realist.
So for you, I'm no my Ghana form should say Bibi Papa Bibi free Moaba.
President Abekasa. Oko BBC no Peter Okoji. Papa no kind of cracher no wo jet ni sentesa. Meanwhile, figures are put before him. Was he entesa? Was he more taxi industries? Industry no more taxi 11 industries. You better so there.
Also the industry as the financial
they are not taxing individual, they are taxing industry. Is it the truth?
Okay, sir. Oh no, he is taxing an industry that has to do with mobile money industry, no, and also a taxi.
Yeah, but so now on package had no. And now we
yeah, bye no so. Mami
conclude no.
Conclude na me 8:30 na me honorable there.
The person me chere in the makan nyina na say.
Sumpana 3.1
over the period. Asema President Aka, the Finance Minister Aka, and the President Aka. Obi no what mapping point to a solution ebeboa amagana ayeye. Except the lazy approach to raise money, waste it and come back to square one.
Okay. Honorable Daro, if you say a bit bad, you know, song, and I'm a diamond penny. Amana Casa can niema. Or who know, my more fee say, maybe I do there at Okrodo. Mammy, too.
You me that's it. Meet you.
Sumpana 3.1.
I mean, you're wasting a cake. Well, wasting a cake.
Well, wasting time.
I mean, if you say, Bianco, but can't send me a more drone near the day, and I say, the generalization. A beer, some being work out a bop. Uncle points in the yes. Uncle points.
Over Boponamo.
So, Uncle points. And I will do what the hair you are. Will be a wood here outside the United States. I didn't working. I could just hear this, thoughts from outside. They say,
Sumpana 3.1.
Studio ha. Say the most I say. What about our comfort? Meso me comfort was why idea. So what I say, I Bibiano, my buy pencil and motivate B studio.
One to say one factory,
Studio FSC. Our better Joe Noom. About when Janos on Elmopobia.
I mean, too.
And you bet you one more 8 years now. Say, any pioneers.
Yeah, the pioneers for the first time.
Yeah. Backabu did be a. I'll see at the tour. Yeah, we say, and maybe a way between Tumpono. Yes, we have
3.1.
and Sierra Cordo.
But
Nasabreno. Maybe an anya me nunqua. Na ya doso nipa bebrebe na mpuntu na ba ma bia da we kura ya ba mu so sabe no wonka se na say ya na say ne mom bibia nhase no e wo fom. And I'm saying this because of the prices of goods are okay no when I made to the cookies
mentiu
Kwame Nkrumah peso na kiso be saying Kwame Nkrumah peso na kiso e saying na the boy say a jump on no time. Not milk boy say. The milk boy say. But no more baby drew Buzianum and Obia Babetina a man who pay piano. A mere conem Sabre no pay ye saying. I don't your uncle. Now what Christian 10 facts. As if we say Nipanim near all your winning baby a walk. A mere Danny. Babu Cracker is a bread dear children, a whole chileba. And yet one side, but some children say, Sika now would 19 something, no? Yes, I see Calendar say, would you?
Sumpana 3.1.
To say, and there will be a country a cry in thousands, now, Sabrina, not in hundreds, 50s, units, no lower ones, no, any other talker. And then your man Tessa. And you okay here. Don't think it's a situation, no, a baby na situation na yesa. Number sana waseba. And you may call him. So first body you use Imperial Sister says typewriter. And now you are using computers.
Honorable Dairo, let me come in here. What say a near economy? It is true. Last year, there are inventions, there are innovations. But Cote d'Ivoire, if probably almost milk, 5 CFA, about 4 years, it's 5 CFA. It means the inflationary trend, you know, it's stable. It is a old year 5 now could do 15 now. Are you telling me, say, if you are seeing a corner Nimuntina Basa?
I am telling you, we see Abia, no Cote d'Ivoire,
No, but that has been the trend in Cote d'Ivoire. That has been the trend in Togo.
Remember Abia.
Sebastian tell me, honorable, Obia Oti Abia him say, and near my boy and Kukosro, and our neighboring Cote d'Ivoire, Togo, and even Burkina, like the way Yenema Bo Kosro. And you know, ultimately, situated the situation say, more at the end of the year. Me too.
A fact.
Me too.
And fiction, a fact, me lay fact no at was say, Sanet ye.
Okay.
And I acquire him, none of so elbow acquire him. First, father, your road construction, I say. If you NDC time crown road construction, that was
93.1.
And then, Boba baby, ye be a cajon. O me mu be, South Asia. Free a year, and maybe I want to know more. And yet, MPP buy no. MPP and Conco to 2 hotel be free a quite biaso.
Okay.
Time na nanado eye campaign o kan say okoba bia de kwan e bodachi oh ye kwan na ba be ye kwan maye na ba be ye kwan maye nanado e kan ho asem former president mama kan say wo se wodam na okodo na wo da abai ba so pe be obeko bia no hini bia asem o kan ye kwan enfuturo nyaade na do medu to quote bia
93.1
and the previous situation and the work on so no and na do e kan ho asem na wo se wo da no and obi ase kwan obi ase roads obi ase roads anu nti no dia wo na hunu no a wo kan ya nye no and you've come to confront it. And there are we plans new programs are the by any other no you must gear them towards road construction because that's what they need. I need to declare year of roads. So what you say, year of roads.
See the slogans.
And you think it's and your policy. Also can generalize plans and new policy be hey. Look at me names are what's the papa your friend is a Rambo. What's your friend?
Honorable Haruna Isifu.
This torture where you do someone that was bobo or bonny henny. Yes, I mean, him needing. But someone can want me finity. So, yes, was it MPP by any policy, any plans? Flashy programs are the two one officer idea. Would you have planting for food and job? I say free SHS. And your policies, no.
See, there are slogans, but there's nothing behind it.
And your slogan, Minya, Haruna, Jesus Christ.
Demonstrate the impact.
The impact, what? Look, is that what's the impact? What's the empty? And your slogans on Kwan. Planting for food and job. Say, I'm a baby, said I would or Penino Casano. Now can say Diana Bro Bebu, Bodia Bebu, Edia Babebu. A different thing. The managing the situation, you know. You have to export. You need to feed the other side. You're taking one way.
3.1.
When you're near man, that's why export to America, Germany, France, Italy. When you're near man, no more export to production is incomplete.
Okay.
When you find in a map, I didn't come on it. When we have excess. So you say, you was say your way. So you me boy, na say bibia other things being equal, remaining the same. Na say to be produce every year be this tonnage of maize. Now the idea, you be keep what storage facilities be now. Storage facilities be now.
That's right.
Storage facilities be now. Now there abroad be go so mama na pro. Export them. Now the quantum of export no. and the chair wo exchange wo sika wo benya and so Burkina Faso be fa kwa you good say on be fa kwa body how long can you keep body I say what can say agogo mi body be buso na me feel say me bo mi ankasa mabaso me no pa da na bi sham no say honorable yeda se pa floni phone a mo body na wo mo say yemfudi am ni ade no ama body aba na bomodi ana bra da be hwe adwuma papa wo ye na agogo wo die soja fo no ade begu ho ni yes body aba body apart from say wo de be ye plantain chips what else wo de be wo fufuo what else enti wonya bi na say wo pushi bi akwa amano ne a export no is better than say wo be import niema the balance of trade na ye ka ho asem
that's right
that is it enti anya bone it is for the state to make sure say you be tackle so near produce yes store bi and buffer stock omo wo anuane gu ho so what you say and until the what can say 125 ministers
that's right
what's the what kind na me rebate
you have the right to do that
yes
and he has a rebate
125 look in economics we have division of labor so person we change nyuma mu nkete ma obi aye no ye no perfectly but do you
agree that 125 was just too much?
It wasn't too much.
To the point, sir, the president...
NDC for no... Is it
NDC?
I am saying, sir...
Who will say NDC?
Me say, Obi be criticize you, say.
Sofana 3.1.
Ochana AM and 9. I didn't know if I need Papa Cope and to Obi are not doing. It depends on the way I'll be articulating who views.
So how do you rebut that?
I am telling you because, sir, all these programs here, Nipa, any equal agencies more sheso. I just say, okay, Yanina, where you ma now will be a man, Yanina, at the end of the day, no be behind it. And to specific people will be to spearhead and I said. To take care of these programs in projects.
They didn't buy any chair.
That be almost say the now do about a listening government.
Sofana 3.1.
Look, I dare be out with the Abba, meaning say you live here.
Definitely, yeah, what time
yes,
it will go into the levy.
I did a very good policy, but a deeper than any NDC. As a political party, ni NDC be fail, MPP be failing. And the papa bia ye bia an NDC, ehunu ade papa bia MPP ba waye. Enya hwe, and wo ma disca, so first pa no na corruption.
Sofana 3.1.
NDC sabrani. NDC for sabrani pa ni corruption. Rolling Sika was it there's no government about Ghana since independence. I'm here corrupt chain NDC. One found an account. And then NDC sorry, and I'm here corrupt. We are corrupt. I don't know. Yeah, can't wrong about competence. Incompetent government. And then NDC sorry, wasn't we incompetent government? Oh, I come from Namwati into Musu Kabi. And this minister said, and my will be a specific task. No, yeah. Emma edima ekoye that is why I'm out for assign the MPP as a transubim whether you like it or not MPP enye and this mama oba first time now you butu no out no the policies in the plans and the programs no and some for any and you butu no out so what you say and you know you the policies in the plans no to ho no hwe nipa dodo a vote ma MPP a vote to my MPP outside NDC free abemu and no chile some man for aje won sem na tum yasa e de akwa transfer biem and you know so okay say bibi o hona sanye ya but say we sutie e de ma yi levy ya beba but first bar no ya no 1.75%. Hey eso no do aje tax bi wa 17.5%. E be 5%. If you're 15%,
it's dependent.
So I do tax way. I about 1.7%. What's the big deal about it? I am minute. But
that will be minute. That will be minute in your eyes.
In terms of
that will be minute in your eyes.
In my eyes,
in terms of that withdrawal and any amount now, original.
Maybe 15%. 2 million.
No, 17.5% VAT.
Yes.
Put me from a
tax.
It's a tax.
Because I'm talking in terms of figures.
Okay, we'll get to that, but now economy. Now let's look at it. Uti honorable and say you put the economy into shambles because of wasteful expenditure. How do you explain that?
Wasteful expenditure, I'm saying.
And
you create, loot and share government. Say NDC akobo bosia. Na waba sika na yakwa bono. E share pe kwan bia yibe disika no. So you go and sit down and organize conference can say yehunu kwan bia yibe disika no. And say yan kan kire contractor bia. That is the best and legal way yibe mafa so disika no. Enti contractor wo kura wanya sika anya yapam wa free ho no. Na say wa wajaye no. Come, go and sue government. Say, yaji contract na free winsem. O start into waboka. Na come and claim. Oba, yen yo Attorney General. Ya beka jo say, what's mo de? Yen timi no wontwe manso no. Nti wo claim bia de man no, yen fa man. President, former president, another late president Mills. I catch him say, hey, asema mudi be mu hwe ni ye. MPP for wide awake. Oh, Ulman, ni ade o man mine no. And we implemented that decision. And the moon no also for tell say one
also for tournament.
Also for tournament. One we ya why you minum no one nyina be wura mu and the 20 why you media mama Mills anka je so munyai. Mills ka je so munyai. Emre bi me call US. Na me mo open ni din me call conference ni nyina NDC for no nominate omo. Outside organization me that they me call from parliament. Enti akwa yin na go share open in the fear no. Government appointee e wo ho no. Me mpese be boni din. Now dim say me so ya NDC ni. Enti the occasion say honorable parliament won mumu ama no. Na MPP for no do so NDC for MPs no wo ho no. Na ba no aye rotten. Sika no ye die no enye President Mills catch almost a munya sa create loot and share no. And yet
Sumpana 3.1.
Bia be what is my ya twap ya MPP for bia ya tu bia no. No man penny yare. Now the yare aba. Uba o man penny ba honorable o catch me o. Hakonwa o man penny ba wotremu ha ho na wote no. Oba medical checkup. Oba nkomo aye dia no. Se krofo no emma ne akoba kosoro. Enu nti no
honorable metrasi o.
Niema wo se yemfa sika no nya hwe, yemfa sika no nya hwe. Enti na me dwell on that say enya create loot and share government.
Momo de na
what we outline number of projects are Bosia na yakoboye no.
About 117
yes.
And more.
NDC almost react. Say Bosia no almost boy. Bosia no so ko Bosia no. Either 4 years or 5 years grace period. You don't pay anything. Not even amortization. Interest rate, nothing. Grace period no 4 or 5 years. NDC Bosia bebre ba mo boy no. Ye period and amateur ye tuaka. Ya amateur ye tuaka. Enu nti no wo mo tira ona kan say sika not me say rock can be say you can't cry intimate. Who told you say we are in a epic growing economies in the
fastest growing
fastest very fast fastest growing economy and how na wonim wabo modi asili waso wabo modi asili wani say na wodi wonim kura so many periods are you call single digit inflation single digit and you are aware
and they say
what's in there say I'm telling you say and you are not listening to say COVID you know aba say nyema nyina in the whole world enya Ghana nko a and no na me ni obi di nkomo o si oil common oil enu aduano no wo mo ration e wo UK
yes true because Ukraine is one of the leading supplier of sunflower oil.
That is it. So when Ukraine kwa Russia
yeah.
Almost as the same. To omu flour, wheat, I di cocoa aduane no nya di nyina bebre every that area. They say ntokwa. Look, have you seen Ukraine say this here? Omani nyina say me ma call on several occasions.
Yeah, we Ukraine.
Asana entokwa no ebeba no. Me kura me ne deputy defense minister no ekasai.
Ghana Ukraine.
Ukraine.
Osi Ghana Ukraine.
3.1.
Osi Deni na efra no. Na so no asie no. Won tie bibia. Some people no na no omu amanfo. So, anu ti no. Sama to ko ba me ne no efra no ka chen se wura. Ade e be yenye. Entokwa bi ani wa eye. The evil that war can do, peace can never equal in good. Commander in the can the book.
Okay.
The evil that war can do, peace can never equal in good. As a bar, as we ever said, I say we said the Ukraine, you pound on say artillery, air bombardment.
Sumpana 3.1.
Inina, I say, oh man, we go out and try and we are hope. Opening the can say, you're political. What do you want to come here? And I'm pa, you're so much. And the area no. Na niema ba iron rods no nya de afiri oba na hwa iron rod bo uja ka jem say enye Ukraine war no e na ama Russia Ukraine war no e na ama niema akosoro UK obi ka jem say gas electricity ni bo akosoro 54%.
Yeah, it is
54%.
True. It is true.
Hwe de esi wo Nigeria oil one more two one more oil no mutu na chair ye no.
There was shortage of fuel, but nra ye ni Gordon Ezedi komo o se o ma normalize bibia.
Ne bo aye din wo ba bia. Ghana for no to the bo hwa. Ya na ya allow yourself to be deceived. Propaganda ni etie enu mom ni etie ba nsempa no afiri ni panche no. Ghana for bebre entie. Na wo mu edi ayi so enti no eniema wo kan nyina no free SHS a o ka ho asem no one nim say free SHS eya de papa hwe wo no school dropouts e wo Ghana biem anu moment mi nko even SHS anu moment mi nko SS university sampara anu ntimi nko no sei o mu nyina eko wo mu nyina eko hwe de ade a sa ayi nyina ade papa free SHS no diaba.
Okay.
It is a problem. Hey, obeso katinya na.
But your time na so.
Once you time no.
What's your time? No time na so. Yes, I make ate o.
Hurry na to adura na.
I want to me do. Abon go twa pa o meter duonu mienu. Minim say e wo sen ke ma mo. Me land me ba. Minim say ke wo say ma mo send them messages but we are working on it and God willing probably tomorrow we'll have the opportunity to send your messages. But I mean kind messages yeah. Sir Cliff, I do say, all the best. I'm watching you live from Continency. Good to Wamahini Berima Jiabwa Mankwaduna the second. Bernard Atanga says that he's also at Continency. Mim Ahafo, Richmond, or say Ajiman. Oman, the NDC have nothing good for Ghanaians. They are only telling lies for Ghanaians to believe in them. Yeah, Kamuma messages, Imra, Yisumamin Kinkai. A lot of them, but it may be an acham. Honorable Darrow, wrap up, but I want you also to start with the e-levy. Okay. Because first, on the chassis, I believe, I'll give you a rebuttal. If I try in 2 minutes, wrap up for me.
Yeah, let me wrap up. Oh, so no, can be about one-time premium. No, Busano, no, see, or mobile and Kasachile Ghana for Ubwa, Haruna. Hey. You war hammer represent Gramophone.
What's the Hamatan? Ramadan. Over Ramadan.
Ramadan. The private can Hamatan. So what I said Ramadan. And Jetro. And this year, Timia, I'm a patch out say, me can say, one-time premium. No way. One country. And once more Jaffamon. We refer to President Kufuor. Yes. Politics there. Oh, yeah, I said the way I differently. And now, Bana said, situation no etimi demand they say, and you may be intimate Koyama, a bini COVID in Tokoya, Abbey.
It's honorable by your assertion. It's your son and another beggar check Ghana for say, yeah, me can't say it is the castle. A comedy, no, yes, I'm Hunana.
There be what's it unworkers say, watch them. Say that's our time. No, say one engine is a Tiska also. Me Kochana Chinese people could be a computer. My name said was here no. Every part of Ghana was glittering. Was it gold in your country? No. That's why Chinese are flopping into your country.
Okay, wrap up, so the bottom line is, at the end of the day, situation now
situation no. Say about Guinea ne your friend is saying Ebola. NDC time Ebola in Uganda. And so she said yes so far. They are not to ide at yema my refree. Said yeah NDC super Ghana pa ma dum so ebe ye ma nwuma ye gugu ye akrofo yi krofo die afel ti wa na ho kire ema obi a complain a NDC for anka say if you are in the kitchen and the kitchen is hot, do what? Take your passport and get away. Nya NDC for na kan o memu eye hye to the point say sa na ko bae enti no SAS sika ne bo kosoro dollar ekosoro ne ade nyina no tamo ya now so yi levy NDC for starting punchy holes
and a coffers
and a coffers and now you get 2 more no who say
the dollar is coming down. All right, it's 8:56. Honorable, you said just let me give you just 2 minutes or better because
2 minutes more.
We
1 minute.
We have to go for e-levy. It's important.
Minu pani. O sha se be si ne watena se.
Martina say.
E de pa na obana ya fa economy no aka ho asem. You see, one confusion no.
See, what is
and one to make tell say there's no solution for this problem.
Me why you be here no? Me time not right man.
Honorable, I gave everybody the same time. Can you allow
for the first time? We are importing cassava from China.
Hey, it is not true.
It's not the truth.
It is not true. Process
Mr.
Starch.
Cassava.
Mimi wa cassava from 20 acres. You nyam for gram and into.
Okay.
Honorable Dero. And cassava.
I'll say process.
President before a bi wa ha. Okay.
Special
special. So what has happened? And think how plan for food and job. What
presidential initiative
on cassava. Nini na magunu. Every abana was
importing cassava.
You are importing
propaganda from
Mr. Where the agriculture minister not yet to.
What he says is a process starch. And cassava.
Hello.
Cocoa product.
Just 1 minute.
Let's put that in this context. He says processed cassava and not the raw cassava. In
cassava. Look, this one is clear. It's on the
at the end of the day, let's move on.
We can't waste for expenditure now. Almost every district. Almost all the on the buy now. And we are complete.
From the middle belt and one belt.
Bra offense okaira ba kwesiwo. Sample so 14. E wo hosa. Ofa se wo ko aguna eda na ofa wa ba besi bu amanya. Ba kwesi mpa che hosa. Is there?
No, that's all that
that is a wasteful expenditure.
And wasteful expenditure.
So for me, give ordinary general support. As of 2020. Next can come basa
NDC time. Report really buy.
12 billion.
So who buy no proper document?
Corruption as some
if you are able to, most of all this have been cleared.
Honorable Dero.
I'll come back to you. Remember 2 minutes.
So let me say it.
Debbie, Honorable.
Look,
Marinka.
When we say corruption, President address. I say we're addressing nation. Also addressing nation. Corruption one can watch them. They won't talk about it because they are endemic in it. Corruption has become your shirt. Ghana for you anymore. Share your sati here. PPA and some baby. Never could me awarded about 11 contracts at the same time. Anyway, all right. So it abounds.
Thank you very much.
Stop. Don't be that uncomfortable.
Your microphones are off. About non-chrome pepepe ewo Sumpa 93.1. We are live on Facebook on Sumpa 93.1. We are live on YouTube. That is Sumpa TV. Join us on sumpaonline.com across the globe. About non-chrome na Mr. Yabese echna. Mi jiri se yebenya mo messages ahodo amode beba WhatsApp and then via SMS. Now you can kind of do na mamo monfanche nepa. We'll do that for you because a lot of you are sending messages. Can messages no ebeba mainstream. We don't want to use any other phone. Yes, we confuse a lot of our listeners. Honorable Dero, E-Levy,
almighty E-Levy.
But you what 10 minutes. Now Mama we shoot 10 minutes. Then your activity lines. No. But you me ana me I say I don't mean.
Actually we are into
8:57.
It's 9 o'clock. But you don't know what time of year. But you am committee.
E-Levy.
So 93.1.
Tax policy abai etnas here what yaba. Now before all these things you know. Now NDC for Ediaye Fiapia de Trio Mano and the Bobusia and the Bobusia and the Bobusia do. A buying baby obenya sika every. A buying any cocoa fu. Baby obenya sika the cocoa fu ne set your budget taxes every amount for her. And now say Bobusia.
Okay.
Your budget sika free wherever you can get it to support the budget. Because all the time budget that baby is in deficit.
Okay.
Until also Jessica, more time it was like that. Now other areas so Bosia be able to bono and the IMF. And also no Oko do sako to said wakoji or Bosia. Ye the name bebre NDC or more problems in IMF. Ama one more conditionalities to almost what untimi mfani pa untimi nyahwe ye ba na yet get it out of IMF. Asana yetimi afa enkwada anase ye ma employment enti enye obia se enye o mabia se agise wuwu pa na uko IMF for dia ne na ebeboa wa enye sa don't go there. Other means enunti no aban ewo nimdie ayetimi ne magugu akwa mu no we burnt the night candle atrasia de taxa and now revenue I bet generate from it hunu say nipa bebre entua tax ya me nua beti ha anope no woka oba no no woka say
Mason.
yes and nipa bebre
Carpenter, Tyler, a lot of people.
Eso muntua carpenter for even lawyers what did a case man lawyer say onko techiman no go kan transportation and so obeji aje wo and can the charge no ho obeji be about 300 to 500 Ghana cedis transportation was in the car ebia no obe 10 cases wo ho akwakoye obeji obia 500 no what yakọ tax otua no man penny kan wasem emrebi a lot of people don't pay taxes as your abroja untimi nya nsa obua anunti no kwanya obefa so obetimi nya nsa obe broaden the tax net tax base no be bam say the be ya nti NDC for MPP for transit e planning hu say
93.1
say tax no ye were incidence of taxes taxation say wo be ye nipa no otua won fili enye den so obetua any so many things
na ne je no so enye den
ne je no so nye den eti transit hu say be bia foreigners egi sika bubudio e de ko wo mu krom say $100 de ko wo mu krom no e wo say Ghana for etwa ni hwe ho aban any tax e what this say because most of the people omo emphasica enko transfer sika e wo bank kese ti set no na eye no but bebre atwe omo ko E-Levy momo our transfer sika no e free omo phone account and no tax is paid so why don't we go there and omo ko 17 1 CD 70% 1.75% and what can say charge
1.75
yes
they see how the young for 1.5 no nya adwuma
1.5 no NDC for atrasia hunu say there be MPP for wo mo awa adwene pa wo hu ye ponchi wo mo say de be ya sa 2024 wo be lusuo no wo hu be de akofa ekwan ya ye di bo wo mo chi say wo mo ntimi nye no employment a ye ntimi amabia NDC for ye ntimi amabia e say MPP for ye di nako ni ade nyina ba wo mo di agidin no say no mo si tua yifo eka adwumayefo ka a trouble bia emma hwese ba bi omde akofa esa benya sika mo ye dia bo omochi enu ti no se pinima wo mo pass we ya ebe ya asem MPP for almost 8 years, Barry, I don't person cross on a Bayajuma. NDC party, a good. And to me, I'm sorry, Waka. Party Netras, NDC party, no, at Nancy, and she said, you can't chill come away, the Kasika 2 minimum. Munye, I live in Tum. And your partisan consideration, and your parliamentary consideration, and why you build consensus. Your argument. We agree to disagree. We disagree to agree. And to the Etanya, and second Babacope Edieso. Said your mind better move forward. A baby about what the policies, the plans, and the programs are what they hear. We manifesto no chrono, one co consult to other way in Yadi. So the manifesto here, you want to say Yamawa. The next time you better Abama. Sanya Juma, you better Abanetia. Why don't you leave us? Now what do I say? I want man who don't know, and you are man who don't. A partisan consideration. Say a bar.
What was the relationship between E-Levy and the people of Ghana? A NDC for the say Ghana for is it say Ghana for so and who say because man children say one children Ghana for. Yes, sir. That will be anywhere. Nitria. What you him we pay? Obi anywhere and him you want. Hey, yeah. Hey, yapa. And this is your great to me about this. On this, I say, I didn't see Mabwa now, Hinimun, and my own tree. Hey, Yantino. What did Bacroba? And because the taxes to Ghana for them, and yet a tie is not part of us. Yes, and you know, so people are more evaded. A whole lot of people are evading taxes. Now, Yakaseniano. Maybe now we know be as will be almost you every baby. It's legal. It's legal. Or the one more connected from the main power source. No, sir, Tom Mancroft. And one no Tom Mancroft. Into what dinner man for no Tom out on one taxes so. And you know, Ghana for be brave. No money a brain taxes. And two carriers and Mabua say tax in one tia background. What said your crowd? Obatawachi. And one more punchy horse. Taxi paying NDC to buy our Kojina Montes and make sure one region by region, me, one, no much about. And once about not central for my baby, taxi, Benny, incidents because Parliament, and to set it in one, we are not MP, now call constituency, say, make a open forum, now much extra form. Which Parliament are we? I know being sweet. Yet, the other two radios are cannot be so contribute from all constituencies. Almost take part. And it will be to me who say policy about with the abano. And Munchak Muna, radio 4, TV 4, any social media, or Munano, church 3 minutes more. Some catch on. Touch your uncle. Okay, I don't know. Say you everywhere the buy no. A yard the papa, just a bit of mano, young Conco Bobusia and Framanoni. Young IMF and Congo is coming and say, you block employment avenue. The best way say, you bet me, Anya taxia, a broad base, net, no back catching Nipabia, because a hot and the Nipa be attend on attention. And Untino, you know, air cock of our, and one year at two Makuti. She said, ya passing ye levy. She trick, and you Parliament, Speaker, no, we have got a drew her 138, 137, you know, no, I am not 137. Yeah, they are, and I say, Supreme Court at Daroma. Or my Chile will say, well, be our, you know, we are a deputy speaker, Biaro, who represent your constituency. So you have right to vote. You have a right to vote, and to 1 million, no. Why wouldn't you know, dear, what speaker, when you're MP, and to preside over all issues. And now contentious issues, you know. Don't run away to Dubai. Adain, and to your passing, you live, you know. I hear you must the court, and what a different issue. Now, your passing, yeah, she said, you ever to war, yeah, me and yet, no more yet, market. Educate a man for Kajom saying, yet, near panic and fear. A group of a man for. And a man for the America. Equio musica. Eh, you on by you on bed, on the passy, and to move Biaco Unisika. At the Quaman on it, social media, everywhere. Upon Chia, NDC as a party leadership program says parliamentarians in Nim. That's what more passia, and yet one more last year. And to fear and one little amount for name me one be parliamentarians no be even Haruna a crowd as I just say 1%. Oh yeah, but when you look at the other paper. On that day, a lot of the NDC, both MPP and NDC, contributed to the drafting of that law.
Exactly. But said party no partisan consideration. NDC as a party no and then people almost say don't go. And you know and amount for interest. Nemo party interest so between power.
Thank you very much, Honorable Daro. Please, you have landed. My time is up. You have landed. Financing from Honorable Haruna Mamimra on China. And I've given you what back as my time. Well, we know what your program. Honorable, me know your program. Ma umre say that. Ben yes sir. And if you tell na me for time I can no. Obi ankasa. Me kwa me man nkasa.
11 no dey tax. Obi aka kire. What kind of tax is that?
But no, but rhetorical, don't talk.
Me no me fa o man kwa na me ndi nkom. Into obi obama me answer cry o man na me answer. Dey tax. When say Kuruma Iowa, Skebo and taxi, pay tax law.
Zompana 3.1.
Skebo and taxi. When say Kukuska and taxi. Intimidate Kukuska to Momo wallet swa. When say Kukuska.
Then probably ceases from Kukuska to become a normal money. So God, you can't explain to me, say, Midi Misika, where Kukusika na, where Benkusika.
So you're not even able to tell.
And so then don't go there. The moment you get there.
Policy. And that is why
it becomes money.
That's why in tax policy, even Professor Nachia will tell you that this e-levy is a no tax. Professor Nachia, we say when it comes to tax law in this country,
Zompana 3.1.
He has a book with Dr. Kumuo. Government invite you to almost say post-budget meeting or invite you. Omakachira say e-levy a no. When you say government president taxing,
yeah,
is exempt from it. When you say yeah, tax investment,
yeah,
capital and tax,
yeah.
Mamina woton boja wakoto kwadu wakoto body
the capital no.
The capital one funds no transfer mo bi what tax no. When you say amount from bank,
yeah,
Zompana 3.1.
Wa linking
interoperability
account to the bank.
The Momo account and a bank
wallet.
Wallet.
Na you try na buy tax that no.
Or they are called to Momo.
What transfer from the bank? I bet to the Momo account. Oh, tax.
Or send yeah.
Our tax laws are against double taxation.
There's double jeopardy.
What you know I want to here?
But send your money now so na ebia ne sika no salary. Enyo bia so na ne sika e koko. It is any panel swear.
So how do you determine that?
Very good. That is why he said the Momo is being taxed.
What here?
Zompana 3.1.
11 what here?
I buy to me 1.5 now.
So you see,
tell cost at me 0.75.
So you see, when him say 11 way, who could 10,000 within a year? I buy my tax to 10,000
by transferring.
By transfer, keke, mufanya fi. Ekwaha. It will finish. So you're going to have your capital eroded. Usika button and wodi adwuma no. E betumi asan wo dawa abra wo fanya bi. Aban we is so insensitive. Me maka unsa me kasa e slogans o munya hwe. There's no concrete policy by this government. Ni nyina e slogans. Na wonim. Ade a umbe bia their target ni ye elections keke.
Election minded.
They
are always blaming the NDC to be election minded.
When NDC buy, look at KGT market. KGT market once pay and I know the pace kawa swami ha and I'm not to be 19 or the book of Gen PhD and I'm call Hapa Road Eco Bank Bank. That was the only time I would go at KGT market. True.
Wani J.
Ne likes eni babia. Enya keje market nkwa. Look at the kind of projects President Mahama Yenwo. Waha. Even Papa we nkwa former KM boss. Retreat park nkwa. Sa park and de makumase as revenue. MPP buy for the last 5 years.
Zompana 3.1.
Ewa Asante region ha. almost stronghold.
The airport is almost complete.
When him say the second phase of the airport, President Mama. In fact, actually cut. No, hold
on.
This airport should be credited to President Mama. Or any baby on one.
No, the airport. There was a short cutting by
phase one.
Phase one.
Hello, please.
Honorable Jaro. It is between me and him, not you. Allow. Mamintino.
We are these are undisputable facts.
The phase 2 was.
Phase 1 cutting the sword for the phase 2 before he went.
But it was built by the MPP.
What I'm telling you is that the airport of Kumasi is a Jomama project.
But you can't give it to Jomama because Nanado.
Why?
Nobody can give nobody can give KJTR to anybody. Jomama because
what the same about project BD?
Jomama KJTR.
Me say
MPP phone a beche MPP phone to me na baby gasa yo. Uko phase 2 aye central marketer. Whether money was there or not. Obi anim say Nanado.
What I'm saying is that 3.1 Nanado didn't take credit
for Kumasi International
Airport phase 2. The money was sourced. The sword was cut for the second phase. Facts. Want me take credit for?
Okay.
No, you can't take
let's see because it will delay us.
So this e-levy is a very insensitive tax which they didn't think through it. Because sika ni ho, hwi ni ho, owuntimi mbobosia, obi anya ready so baba obosan de. Fonsa koto amanfo botomi ni omu sika. This is a direct pickpocketing by government. Direct pickpocketing. Direct.
KJTR
e-levy is a direct pickpocketing from direct. This you cannot miss with.
There's a buying to Ghana for Boto.
What two bottom usika? That is what e-levy is. And that say they was a no.
Why don't you also see it from the angle where government needs funds? Say government is in dire need of funds to develop the country, do some projects, without which even Fitch and Moody downgrading them because of revenue mobilization.
When your problem?
Now I'm to mean yes, he can't.
Yansumao.
Oh, now say.
Oh, now we see ube dear buying. And the amount.
But I buy no, we are part of it.
You see, your duty is to be innovative. You catch that buying. A choir obe faswa. Obe rezi. Sika edake o my way. Yet ya now buying the $14,000 per hour. A rented private jet. Then come here. You never said anything. What the Professor Adai? Was it a buyer? What this sika say? Now say about 18,000 euros or so. After 11 pass, you know, he did that. Was it a buyer? A mra huchirewum. What this sika be rented jet no? What they say obia what they can take a quafum. Can they do quafum? You do go big.
There's a misplaced
priorities and insensitivity. So this government, mesemo media, manamo brandy are buying with my said yet, you know.
Yeah, brandy.
Yes, manamo brandy, go for the not buying Dr. Bomia. Oh, he has a solution to all our problems. And another dear,
they told us.
No,
they told us what we helped them.
You helped
and
them.
We didn't help you.
No, make us a helper. Not that.
You're trumpety almost some more mobekano.
Exactly.
And a baby I say,
I was laughing
myself. I was laughing. What's this? That was on the light note anyway.
No, for this.
Okay, wrap up for me now, Faye. No rebuttal. No rebuttal. Please. The activated lines, no, but 1 minute.
2020 election was a reflection of an image. Nanado never won the 2020 elections.
Oh,
he never did.
No.
He never did.
Don't take us into absurdity.
No,
because as we speak now, Nanado is the president of the Republic of Ghana. Supreme Court has affirmed it.
Bebacho, your time aso. Let me activate the lines. 0551 931 931. 0551 931 931. Let's go to the lines. Nana Danko Akufo-Addo won the 2020 election. It was affirmed by the Supreme Court. We move on. Hello, good morning.
You already been out for my you are do work it. Now there, you are Dr. Kwamawa. Kasantimai, it's a demonstration by you. I'm more about so now what do you say? Jamicho. Man in chair here when we know for your body. Kasantimai can mind your God will give a property and so that's our community. And I didn't say for the organizer. What Kasantimai former MC Boudier, Dr. Boudier, Swami for Chairman Martin. Yeah, now me this for me, dear boy. And your man, no man, you fear that you lose so. So, man, you don't know the man. Mr. Ghana, the other can tell you now. Then we know my must have a good year. You make a mama say, I thought to say. I'm not forcing me to say. That's not by the Obama review. Because more banner. Cafe, come by a pay.
Some Panay 3.1.
We need to another family for no one. The man you know that is here.
Thank you. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. 0551 931 931. Let's hear what you also have to say this morning. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Maybe I join you.
If
I job the TV now radio, no man in conform na min tell Kawai. Hello.
Hello.
Aha, Kasa.
Mr. Friend Makaka. Mr. NDC in share. Omukasa Mama who was a more custom. I buy a father, but I share me a problem. Because what you and free education in a medici. Or many men are so for sweat. And so more a young I can't tell you, so move that. Some baby, my own farm, but yeah, no more mistake of me. Yeah, the moment and went now for second term. Not sense so.
Thank you very much. 0551 931 931. 0548 931 931. Let's go. Please check the second line for me. It looks as if calls no number one. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Morning.
Uncle, good morning.
Morning.
I'm President Kakaka.
Oh, I hope I know somebody too.
That's the part. But your NDC, only more Hagana for.
Huh?
With your NDC for, only more Hagana for. Okay, Ghana to the promised land with the Jamaican.
Oh, so you can't take us to the promised land. Hello? Hello? There's a phone 201. Hello? Hello, good morning. Let's go on. Hello, morning.
Good morning.
Me pa cho hanye.
Me pa cho fem na nakosi che yebo amponsim. Me ka se fra santi achimi gansa.
Na nakosi che yeti wa.
Mr. President Akufo-Addo. Mane ha si fe yi ne so.
Aha.
Go be scam me pa cho way. That one scan away. Some scan away. Timber Skyway, what the meaning now? Both NPP and NDC. Musala V8 Munamutio, the real school, the real university, and then about money in a million, and I'm the surviving. The film of Bushia, then mammy, at least man to be a mamma, me bear 300 cities. So, who am I? Meaning, you know, your commission, I'll be bad the 50 cities, and the year commission sends some about when you buy in Nano. Your commission that's your 20 pesos and your tax water 30 pesos back. Yet
not just a merchant, no, yeah, taximo commission or 20 pesos to be a better 1.5% of free so.
Look upon this thing, yet your money, what you let us go transfer, and that's so far. monye ye ho enka fe bia mo to ye commission mu but mo de mo nko am ye die na mo hwehwe tax de ne nka tax ni o eye but mo jero mo fa kwa apaso ma ni ntumpo na we university fie na se afi na me ye adwuma we de na se nyame amoa yanko ye ni planting for food job mo ka say omo de ba no me wa asante achim ne kwan so na agogoka na ye ka ne se Burkina Faso be fa omo fa ye ni menyi nara ene okope kosua goka edne eso be nya kosua ato oba na be ye ka ne se wo mo se one district one factory e wa ifa one village one dam
one district one factory wa ifa. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Me pa cho hwan ni
me pa cho friend Emmanuel ya bo me ka se fi wi amoase
Emmanuel ma enti wa no pe
o ma yire ne ba mu kakra ni ya fi ni na o kasa no ni me di ha me ka awo me ni yenhwe bra na NDC wo so a na dum so e wo so o ma mpani mama e ka se o koto power bank e dia be support Ghana ama o man Ghana your life system at the kina you say you want to power bank now car so o koto no na e wo he
e ba jo car power any Ameri ni nyina wo ho ye adwuma. Hello, okoto car power any Ameri ni nyina ye adwuma. Hello, good morning.
Some good morning.
Me ba cho hwan ni
you're from Eugene Mekasa from Kranza.
Eugene my deal from Kranza.
Omahene on say Ghana say yensuyen za bibua MPP ni NDC na bibu ya faso. The enam say nim say Mahaman kininga adwumenti ade akufu adobae. Nti ni say omo complain. Mahama me poor performance so wonya ade nti ade akufu adoba. Akufu ado so ba be adwumenti why do you have to complain? Mwana mo ye campaign kase ilevia na se mbeta se momofo de sika kare da omo adwuma so na mba be taxi. Ndwun ya so mbeta so omo. Na me dem turning around. Ghana ya heading ya refine petrol Ghana the Ghana faso enya was say refine petrol anything Ghana had been saying say to aba MPP 20% ko munya me ni no na mahama baba bo Ghana pa.
Okay, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Omani.
Pacho hwan ni
Omani ali dan ka so Omani
iba etio o ka sa free
Omani me ka sa free alaba Omani
etio anope
Omani ne mami chama regional chairman na ko sini chama na paya Omani ne ye mo won say Ukraine ye be ka economy asem ye study Ukraine asem Ukraine ndakwa ne da be start here Ghana economy a since last 3 years the last 4 years kwa na asai toto ite ye mo won say the nipa wo be ka de bi akire Ghana for hu aka se kura metima ye bibia mamu a mamu fa Ukraine ndakwa no kura pata because amount from ewu adia ma ba be ye okroma ka de wura mu dis ka nya fo fiska yakoji rose adam that say we na coin for mine am I coin
Some 93.1.
Good morning. Am I I think you see the requirement. Am I on the village? Sometimes and no this MPP NDC, no on management. If you say, or more Mokasa talking about their own interest. And no man
93.1.
On my heart, sometimes we are begging. We chop a second to a but to go down more cafe. They do not connect to mobile money. I'm a current account.
A bank wallet near them.
Get back to me. In fact, man can transfer carefully bank about mobile money again. So by say, if you live in Anchor, no one pass and keep it.
But I'm said, Ceciano, and a free now, a Ghana Revenue Authority, Ministry of Finance. I think they've detected these anomalies. They are going to work and fashion out something. Say they bear because they all came in. Me am a bank wallet. Me see me 500 Ghana, but to me Momoswa. How do you tax me? Me am a bank account. Me near transaction. because a digital transaction thing out to me, it's not fair. I agree with you perfectly. Oh, but sir, it's going to start in May. E-levy and the digital transaction will start in May. It's in May, January. Why? It will be because you charge you anything e-levy. It's not true.
No, I'm not talking about e-levy. What I mean is that
at this time around, they are charging, yeah. All right, let me leave you here. About on Kwapa meter Diasa. Just 1 minute each, and we wrap up. Starting with Honorable Yusuf Maracho. I'm into 1 minute. 1 minute.
Yabedasi for this opportunity.
Okay.
And I hope that we'll continue to have the opportunity to discuss the issues.
All right.
But the can say, Magana need be a nyejidi say about the improvement be beba. I'm not a prophet of doom.
Magana for nyejidi.
Debi. Me can't wait from 2021 and Eniema on my so far. And then some panifo me and say we bekan the president, the vice president, finance minister. Bibi anche say mo hye public gwa mu a e be pa boama o man na ye. Nya say me kan of saa keke. But o man bia obeba this assemblies e be gu. Bo gu o man no. Se si saa kape na o da ba nya de obeyi ne ne ana o kina. Ona bu de ro be ka kire o say. Se na na assembly e ya adwuma e na o de kakrabo a nke bia ho kire ko mu kwankom.
Thank you very much. Honorable Daro.
Yeah, best can no.
Mami too.
I
said ni su etano. Taxation, ye level taxation is very good. Ebe your money ye. Say ye pese ye nya mpuntua, ye nya kwan, ye nya school, ye nya employment a. E was say taxi
$77 billion. What yes I didn't can
This is not fair. Honorable, I've put the microphone off. Wrap up. Honorable Daro.
What is 77.5? Where's our metal for the rest of the world? Where's our metal for the rest of the people in the world? You don't have to help me, no. And your man, Papa, NDC for and then many years. What because yes, and your COVID and your Russia, affected the whole world.
It is part of it.
Yes, I thank you, say the whole world affected. Fertilizer. Ananka even free Russia and Ukraine. Say, ye nyabiem. I see any free other see young hotels and wine so over. Why? Because of that. I didn't walk through, baby. That's right. And yeah, and this is 4 person who futuro. Okay. MPP dear. Projects and plans, programs, idea, but a bow may now the NDC. Yeah, no man for you the NDC period. Doom so near the Obia who children pano. By a say at ye and my refrain.
At ye my refrain.
About for me.
Thank you very much. Honorable Derek Daro, former Deputy Defense Minister. Honorable Yusuf Haruna, MC offensive former. And I know I'm comedy the man you do watch the chief executive producer Brighton Tree Akua Kukua Jando Akosia Somoa school fees PK and the entire team almost a soy and asino yadamase Siri Sambre yano yade nyomba jeje motata ebo dumienu yade Sumpa Kasie Bremo right after Sumpa Kasie no na the live band so atoamo so na ebono nan a ye nua tofia kwa betra se de na minima ba no nsia kase beto aso na mrante hina trase yeseche mutata sa mo ne entra. You have a wonderful day and stay blessed. I am out. I'll leave you with this piece of music by Midnight Star that says wet my whistle. Bye for now.
Some